Welcome back to ICT Trading Concept. How are you all? I hope everyone is cool. Before going further, let me know that you can hear me. The voice is okay. Oh man, I was running just at home at time, in time. Good morning, Bundia. Good evening, good night. Cannot hear you. Okay, you cannot hear me. Hi, clear. Good, thank you. Uh, Gangupta YT, yes, he can definitely help with reading price action and RR entries, but this is not a trade calling room. Okay, maybe you give some kind of answer. Can hear me. Okay, thank you, Jen. Good evening, Titu. Thank you, Rakesh. Good evening, brother. 50 people, 15 likes. What- Whatever. I'm fed up. So this is dollar index, the daily chart. What can you see over here? Just running toward that sell side liquidity over here. At the same time, I have this order block around that area. Loud and clear. Thank you, brother. Sizo, good evening, brother. First, good day. How are you guys? Let's see, after taking this sell side liquidity, if it can expand higher. Okay, my expectation is something like this. It will take the sell side liquidity, then it will go higher. This is my expectation. The reason is today's manipulation. Let's go to 1 hour chart. So from 1 hour chart, yeah, it has taken the liquidity, the sell side liquidity, this low and that low. There were obvious liquidity. So market has taken that liquidity. Now I would love to see if it can go toward that buy side liquidity over here. I have this buy side liquidity over here. Let's see if it can go toward that buy side liquidity or not. After taking this sell side liquidity, it can go lower a little bit. No problem with that. I have this entry fair value gap. This past fair value gap has done its job, so it can reach until that entry fair value gap or the last fair value gap before spending higher. But overall, I would love to see market will go a little higher. That's all my expectation so far for dollar index. I'm good. How was you? It didn't come yet. So it's actually the day after tomorrow, I guess. Yeah, the day after tomorrow. Hey, Rain, how are you, brother? I'm fine. Thanks for asking, brother. Gangupta, no, I was asking if we can be trade buddies in top step. Uh, what is that actually? Okay, thanks for giving me the kiss, man. I can't read your name. It's written in maybe Chinese or Japanese or Korean language. Ethan, I was on the way home and show your notification. I laughed a lot. Price action magnet works. Yeah, man. I was also running toward my home because I thought that I wouldn't be able to do my live stream today. Yeah, I managed my time, so it's all. I miss you. Hey, brother, how are you? I'm good. How was you? It? I gave you the answer. It is not yet. It's the day after tomorrow, I guess. 1 minute Fairville field overnight and nice bounce from there. 18255 ish overnight. I didn't see the price yet. I don't know what happened over here. I have no idea. Okay, I just opened my chart and this is the daily chart, so I'm just watching this first. Okay, so I have no idea what happened already. Oh my bad, no problem, brother. Great rising, brother. Yep, thank you, man. Yeah, I actually got 205 subscriber. I am gonna start from here today. So 205 is my starting subscription. About the price, about the subscription, everything is cool. Let's go to hourly chart. Over here in hourly chart, I would love to mark the this high. Okay, I would love to mark this high from Friday over here. and also would love to mark the Monday high over here. This is too high from Monday, and I have this low from Monday, so I'm gonna mark it here, and I'm going to mark it as my sell side liquidity. Over here, this is the low from the Friday, so I have this two level. Today is manipulation day, okay? Again, today I'm not interested to push my button because we don't have any news today. I believe that market will be consolidating like yesterday. See the sideways. Yeah, we were managed some trade over there. Still that was sideways, okay? No clear direction. I'm also expecting the same thing today as well. Two type of things can happen. First, market can take the buy side liquidity, then it can go toward the sell side liquidity, or it can actually left that buy side liquidity like that way. It can go lower, take the sell side liquidity. Again, it can take the buy side liquidity, keep going higher until the entry fair lookup over here. I mean, what is that entry fair lookup? I don't know. Maybe from hourly chart that is clearly the last fair lookup, but maybe it's the entry fair lookup from 15-minute chart. I'm not sure when I'll be in 15-minute chart. I will see over there. These three things can happen today. The reason is today is Tuesday, and Tuesday is the manipulation day. In manipulation day, most of the time we will see the manipulation. That means market will take the buy side, it will take the sell side liquidity, which sell side liquidity has built from Friday and Monday. It can take both of them, or it can take one, then rest of the day it can do the consolidation. We have to understand the fact. Go to 15-minute chart over here. So this is the 15-minute chart. You can see market came here to that entry fair value gap, and that area it has made relatively equal lows. So I'm gonna mark that relatively equal lows as my sell side liquidity. This is another sell side liquidity. Market is right now over here. So yeah, it can take that high from Monday high, then it can go toward the sell side liquidity, or it can left that Monday like that way, Monday high like that way, can make the relatively equal highs over there, then it can go toward the sell side liquidity. Okay, everything is possible today. Today is manipulation day. Manipulation is always hard, I mean harmful, okay? And try to avoid the manipulation, and when there is no news, try to avoid that day. I'm not gonna push my button today. Even if I push the button, I will go for the best entry. Okay, over here I'm with my real account. I don't want to take the risk for $300. I will just cover that challenge account tomorrow, I believe, if I trade tomorrow. If I don't, then I will complete that next week. So yeah, in short, that's all. Okay, in short, that's all. Let me check the London session, what happened over there. Actually, I got some messages from Sivastan. uh, I don't know Sivastan is over here or not. Hey Peter, how are you, brother? Appa khabor jimar. Apkabar jimar. Appa kabar jimar. What does it mean? Happy Eid, bro. Happy Eid, Peter. I got some message from Sivastan. Actually, I feel so good when he just showed me this. Okay, so that was his first message where he actually marked the first fabric. Not that. I'm sorry. Here he actually marked the first fabric up entry over here. I told that brother I am not in front of my chart, so I don't know, but his target was only thing I didn't like. Okay, his target, but actually it worked perfectly. I'm happy. Target was entry fair lookup 2800, so I'm happy because it failed. Then later he actually showed me another first fair lookup set over here. I believe that it worked as well. I don't know it worked or not because he didn't give me the R update, so I don't know it worked or not. But yeah, I will see. Right now I can see it right now. Okay, so from 7 a.m. he took outlined that one. So I guess he outlined this fair lookup over here. This all the first fair lookup. Let me see why he actually marked that on as his next setup. That was the first fair lookup. This low has taken all of these lows and failed to take that low. This low has traded the last fair lookup from 1 minute chart. So there is the last fair lookup from 1 minute chart. So until now everything is cool. This low is not taken by that low, but this low has cleared all of these lows. So yeah, it's valid first parallel gap. You have to wait this candle close. When this candle will close, you have to take your entry around that area. That should be your entry. Your stop loss has to be below the constant cosmet of that lowest week. So here will be your stop loss. Now 99% of the time market don't break the first parallel gap. Okay, it don't break it, but sometimes it breaks. That's why I would love to go with the maximum what to say, I mean maximum protection, something like that. And if you go for the entry fair value gap, then where is the entry fair value gap? I believe this is the entry fair value gap over here. That is the entry fair value gap. But yeah, until the new week opening gap, that is also cool. That should be the setup. What did he mark? Okay, he actually marked that on, and he targeted over here, over here. Yeah, that is also cool. I mean, this is a leg, just a lot of in this type of situation. If I see this type of huge fair value gap from 1 minute chart, then I actually go to 5 minute chart, and from 5 minute chart I love to mark the last fair value gap and the entry fair value gap. So yeah, in this type of situation it's perfectly okay if you mark the entry fair value gap over here. Absolutely perfect. Okay, the reason is it's huge from 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart, it's huge. Yeah, that was a perfect entry fair value gap. Sorry, first fair value gap entry. Over here I don't know, this is also entry fair first fair value gap or not. Okay, let me check actually. This high, did it trade any fair value gap from 1 minute chart? Entry fair value gap or last fair value gap? So this is the last fair value gap, and I have this entry fair value gap as well. This setup works most of the time in Monday and Tuesday and Friday. So this first fair value gap entry, most of the time it works in these three type of 3 days: Monday, Tuesday and Friday. Wednesday and Thursday first fair value gap doesn't work perfectly. Okay, this is not the first fair value gap. This one is not valid. I mean, let me check this one. uh, okay, this setup is not valid. If he took this entry as well, Sebastian, I don't know, here this one, if he took that entry depending on that first fair value gap, then this one is not valid. That means this very first fair value gap entry is not valid, but it was perfect. It was a perfect first fair value gap entry, and over here that was also a perfect first fair value gap entry. What I told you about the me overnight run, if you ever see the overnight run, big run, try to avoid the morning session. Now you can see the overnight run. Okay, very very nice run toward that. This is also a very nice run, very nice run, right? You can see how many handle did it. Near about 100 handle. It's huge in overnight. I believe that morning session will be little sloppy as we don't have the news, and overnight I got a big run. We will see. Okay, right now I'm just thinking about this buy side liquidity. This is the Monday high, this is the Friday high. So is that Friday high? Yeah, that is the Friday high. So if market can is able to take those highs before falling, if market failed to take those highs, instead of that it went lower below that new week opening gap, then I will start to frame the sell setup. Okay, but until market is above or inside the new week opening gap, I'm not interested to frame my sell setup if market fail to take those highs. If it takes those highs, then I will go in 15-minute chart and I will start to look for either the last fair value gap or the entry fair value gap, anything over here. Okay, so that lot of fair value gap over here. So I will go 1 hour chart. No, 1 hour chart, it is already inside the entry fair value gap. Lot of ranges over here. Okay, so very complicated situation. Yeah, very complicated situation. From where exactly market will reverse, I have no idea. Better option is not to trade today. If you don't trade just 2 days, it doesn't mean your career is finished. So always better to be patient in this type of situation. Hey Sebastian, you are here. Thank you, brother, for outlining those nice setup. I wasn't here in front of my chart, but thanks for outlining those setup. Okay, I'm feeling very good because of your outlining setups over there. Thank you, man. Keep sending me this type of setups. I would love to see that from you guys. Okay. Gmar, cover bike, bro, Peter. What is that language, brother? Cover bike. What is that language? Good afternoon, Rahul. How are you, brother? Ketan Patel. Okay, there is 30 handle and new week opening gap, so can take target profit there. Yeah, obviously we can take the target profit to that new week opening gap low. We could do that. Ravi Parmar, hi brother. Hey brother, how are you? Rotator path. What's up, mama? Fine. What about you, mama? What about your stomach? You had some problem, right? I was so busy, man. So I was unable to knock you. After completing my streaming, I spent most of my time to make the video, and after making the video, then very rarely I'm getting time, so I was unable to knock you, brother. I'm so sorry for that. Just let me know the update about did you meet the doctor or not. Good morning, everyone. Peace and blessings. Hey, good afternoon, Sunrise. How are you, sister? Advanced Eid Mubarak to all the people. In case I don't see you all on Eid day, Eid Mubarak, man. I hope that we will get you in the Eid day. At least you will just show up for 1 minute at least. Okay, I'm good. Ramadan helped me to overcome the issue. Yeah, it's always the blessing, man. Ramadan is always the blessing. So did you take any entry around the London session, brother? Let me check what was happened over there. Up to there and went higher, break this one. Until now, no setup here, no setup. Okay, for me, I don't see any setup from the London session. No clean setup for me. Okay. So, did you take any entry? That run was awesome. Around 6:30, that was an awesome run. Around 7, this entry was, I mean, this run was awesome. If I were here, I would try to catch some move from here. I would try to do that because 7 a.m. kill zone is used by the displacement only. So around the 7 a.m. So from 6:50. So over here, if I would see that, maybe my entry would be here and stop loss below that low. I would think this will work as a breaker. So maybe I would cover the low of that candle and target that was relatively equal highs, but I wouldn't go for that until this new week opening gap would be my target. That could be the highest target. Okay, market has taken the Monday high. I'm gonna remove it from my chart, and it can take the Friday high or not. I will see that. Okay, for dollar index. Okay, so dollar index, dollar has taken that sell side liquidity, but still it's consolidating. As I told you, I would love to see dollar will go toward that buy side liquidity. So over here, that is the relatively equal highs. That's my buy side liquidity. I would love to see market will go toward that buy side liquidity. Not sure, but as it is the manipulation day, I'm expecting the manipulation. I'm just expecting the manipulation. That's all. Okay. If market make the relatively equal highs over there, then it keep going lower. I'll be very happy to see that because then I will say my bias is absolutely perfect. I was bullish for the Nasdaq, and as I told you, most of the famous YouTubers they are bearish. Okay, I'm again telling you that if anyone has the doubt about my weekly analysis, you can watch the others weekly analysis as well. Okay, because so when sometimes I see this type of situation where most of the people are actually looking for one direction and I'm looking for another direction, as I am a small guy, I feel confused sometimes. Okay, I feel very low confidence, but I don't want to change my bias. Still I feel the low confidence because I feel it's my responsibility to do the something do something right every single time, but it's not possible, right? Every single time I'm not right. So I can be wrong this week. Market can go lower. I mean, toward that sell side liquidity over here, it can go lower toward that sell side liquidity, but still I'm bullish. Okay, I'm bullish for Nasdaq. Okay, Winston, look, hey brother, good evening, Winston. How are you, brother? I miss you. I'm bullish in Nasdaq, but bearish in ES in longer time analysis. I'm bullish on DXY too, longer term. Okay, can ES go down while NQ consolidating or being little bullish? Actually, they are correlated. uh, I mean, they always love to go the same direction. If you ever see the conflict over there, that means Nasdaq is going higher and Eminiscent is going lower, or Dow is going lower, you will get a lot of resistance. Okay, that will be high resistance liquidity run. There will be much more seek and destroy mode, this type of things. If your analysis is telling you that Nasdaq is going higher and Eminiscent is going lower, in that type of situation, try to avoid the trading because you will face a lot of consolidation or seek and destroy mode. Okay, more probability that you are going to be stopped out. Hey Nair, good evening, brother, from Kerala. I will be there one day, inshallah. Kerala, it's so beautiful. Okay, I have watched a lot of movie which has been shooted from Kerala. So my intention is one day I will be there in Kerala. Morning, brother. I'm working, but I'm here as always. Big thumbs up. Thank you, Leonardo. But focus on your job. I know you are just watching the security camera or something, but still, be honest with your job, brother. I don't think so. There is anything in London session. Yeah, Ketan, I don't think so as well. I mean, for me, I didn't see anything. For me, okay. But maybe there was some setup, but no obvious thing for me. Uh, Suhan rate E1. What is that? E1? Ballas. Okay, guys, you are talking with some foreign language. I don't understand. Hi, brother. Hope you are good today. It was a 903 candle valid breaker block. I've already uploaded the video about the breaker block, brother. So you should watch that video, and you have to mark the way I marked the breaker block. You don't need to ask me the question. I cleared that breaker block setup already. I showed you the example in my live, okay, that when I actually look for the breaker block. So why you are asking me the question, brother? But I will see. I will take a look. 903 candle. I will take a look, brother. And we will plan the stream together after the Eid. I took the AMD, but wasn't a good setup, so risked less during the silver bullet. Not trading anymore today. That's the best idea, man. That's the best decision. Don't trade today. I'm also not gonna push my button today. I will wait until tomorrow. So let's see what happens. Happy to finish the day with 1K plus profit. It's huge, man. 1K is huge. Was guessing Wi-Fi studying bar diye kal. Kick go veer day diye nai. Okay, Sean. Sean Raid. What language is that, brother? SMT yes and NQ. I last look up NQ now. Okay. So there is sorry. There is an SMT. School. Yeah. With Immune SMT I got the SMT. We will see how it react. But as I told you, all I would love to see, did it take the Friday high or not? Why a single day high? I always tell you that I always go for the relatively equal highs for my liquidity, relatively equal lows for my sell side liquidity. Okay. Why I'm talking about the Monday high and Friday high? Because today's manipulation. Manipulation is called kind of like Monday high, Friday high, something like that. It do something like that. In Tuesday, I actually look for the Monday high and low, Friday high and low. Both of this level, I would love to see if it can take them, then it can go lower, or it is going to make the liquidity and now it is going to reverse. So we will see that. I would love to in 1 minute chart again. until this new week opening gap is not broken, I'm not interested to take sell. Okay, we will see. Okay. I got stopped out for of my long, bro. Still made coffee money, so all good. Okay, if you just made some coffee money, then also all are good, man. Everything is good. Okay, guys, you are keep talking about some foreign language. I don't understand. Okay, now a lot of messages. I am unable to read all of these messages. So yeah, JD Capital, thanks for that. Penguin, if you ask me something, maybe I just ignored your message because a lot of messages, man. I can't read all of them. Hello, Catalin Russo. How are you, brother? Pro-trader, that 408.25 is a good buy-side liquidity to take and give a reversal as the 50-minute back is there. 408.25. 408.25. Yeah, I mean, I have no idea what it is going to do, okay? Now, my intention is two type of intention. First intention is maybe market is going to leave that like that way because my weekly analysis is telling me market will go higher. So I would love to see it will leave some buy side liquidity over there. Then it will go toward the sell side liquidity. It will take this sell side liquidity today. Then it can reach until that last parallel gap. Until here, I'm expecting this. This is my first priority or my first intention is market will reach here to that last parallel gap at least today over here, and it will left that buy side liquidity like that way. That's my first intention. But if it take that buy side liquidity then started to go lower, I'll be very happy to frame my trade from there above the new week opening gap. I'll be very happy to frame my trade from there. If it left that buy side liquidity like that way, then I will wait until the new week opening gap is broken. When it will be broken, then I will start to look for some kind of sell. So kind of 50-50, 50-50. Okay, I don't know what is going to happen. Sorry, 1 hour back. Yeah, that is a huge on our farewell cap. You can see a huge on our farewell cap around that area. That made me confused. What is going to happen over here? No problem, brother. Thank you, JD. Rebuck. The language is called Poestoti. Okay, that's cool, man. Poestoti. Not bad. So we are very near to 9:30. We will see around 9:30 what is going to happen. We are going to have a big opening gap today. Huge opening gap from here to here. Huge opening gap. Guys, there are near about 200 people. I get 44 likes. So if you just do this, keep doing this, I will do something bad. Okay, I will do something bad. Trust me, man. Bro, give me the like, man. Don't be miser. Don't be self-centered. Don't be selfish, man. Give me the likes. Huge 1 hour favorable gap and huge consolidation. Absolutely, brother. From 15-minute chart, I told you that it's gonna be sideways today. I mean, in Monday, okay? Tuesday, I'm expecting the manipulation. Manipulation means it is going to take the buy side liquidity and the sell side liquidity. If you come here to the daily chart, long time ago, okay, I told you something. I know that you guys forget actually. If you see a inside candle, so this candle, Monday candle, is inside the Friday candle. Then the way it is going, after going that way it will reverse extremely. Okay, if you ever see the inside candle, for example, this is a inside candle, this candle, okay, it is a inside candle, it is below inside this candle. Look what happened the very next candle. See the manipulation. Then this one, just look, this candle, this is inside that candle. Just look at the very next candle. Manipulation, see, upper manipulation, lower manipulation. This candle, maybe no, it has taken the low actually. Look at this candle. It is inside that candle. So this candle went lower, went higher. See the manipulation. So when I saw this candle, I'm extremely, I'm expecting some kind of bigger manipulation. So yeah, this, I hope that you'll understand. So we are very near to 9:30. This is the 9:30. We will see how it is going to happen. I gave you my heart and you were asking for thumb. Damn, bro. Thank you, bro. Thanks for that comment, man. I'm a bad guy. I shouldn't ask for that. Like, I'm extremely sorry, man. Uh, this is the 9:30 candle, and we have a huge opening gap. So from here to here, remember we have the opening gap from here to here. Remember that line, that that space. This is absolutely, see, there is nothing. This is a huge opening gap. We will see if market can uh, close the opening gap before 10. Okay, until 10 this opening gap is valid. After 10 this opening gap is not valid. So we will see if it can close that opening gap before 10. Right now price is trading the 1 minute last favorable gap. Excuse me. This is that Friday high again. If it can make the relatively equal highs, that is the best case scenario for me. If it take that on, then I will look the run how it actually go above that high. This guy is going lower, and if I come over here, as I told that it can reach until this entry favorable gap before going higher, because I'm expecting after taking the sell side liquidity it will go toward that buy side liquidity over here. This is the buy side liquidity and the last favorable gap from hourly chart. That's my expectation. So if it would love to go higher, this guy should fall. Before going higher, it can reach until the entry favorable gap from hourly chart or the last favorable gap over here. So that will be a little, so I mean bear move. When it is going to trade those level, it can keep going higher or it can consolidate around that area. We will be we will take our decision wisely over here. Tito, how are you, brother? Hello, Malhaba. I'm fine, man. Thanks for asking. What about you, man? How are you? Again, if anyone is trading through your real money, be very careful. Today's Tuesday, the manipulation day, and also today we don't have any news. Okay, so market can be very sloppy today. It can do the seek and destroy mode. Lot of things can happen today, so be very careful about today. So for this last favorable gap is holding the price. We will see how it react actually. 212 people is watching right now, and I didn't get 100 likes. So I will request the rest of the people who didn't give me the like, you may leave my session. Okay, I am not helpful for you guys. I believe that I'm not helpful at all. Okay, so please you can leave me the way I'm here. I'll be very happy. 903 candle, 903 candle here. No, brother, I am not looking for any kind of parallel gap around that area. I'm not interested to look for the, so not parallel gap, breaker block. I'm not interested to mark my breaker block around that area because it didn't feel any requirement for being the breaker block. So, in my opinion, I don't see any breaker block over there. No over trading. That's cool, man. Shorted that 400 area and nice point I got, sir. That's cool. Dollar index is going lower. This guy is also going lower. A very tough situation to take the decision. A very, very, very tough situation to take the decision. NQ first fair value gap. How did you get the first fair value gap NQ over there? Okay, you are seeing this high and that high. What a nice idea, man. Oh man, you guys are making me confused now. Okay, there is no fair value gap. So this is not going to be the breakaway gap. As I told, I'm not going to take any kind of sell from here until this new week opening gap is not broken. I'm not interested to take sell. Even though it's look like very clean to me, I'm not interested to take sell from there. If I do that, 30 handle stop loss. I don't want to take this entry, man. To be honest, I'm not interested. Better I will wait. I'm thinking that market will go through this fair value gap maybe. Okay, if it go through that fair value gap, then that will be easier for me to read the price. Market tap to the new week opening gap high. It should go through that fair value gap. Something like that is my expectation right now. Though it's look like very sorry, very nice market structure shift. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm not interested to push my button around that area because of the stop loss. It's gonna be 30 handle. There is a small 15-minute fair value gap. Where is the small 15-minute fair value gap? Okay, there is a small 15-minute fair value gap. Tap over there. That's cool. A very nice confluences for me to think that market is going higher. Okay, I will see if it can go through that fair value gap. I'm a very bad guy. Oh, this will be fun. Oh man. Yeah, is the exact fair value gap. If it was not the Tuesday, I mean, if there was a news or something like that, I would add one more over there. All I want to do is like cover the mean threshold. I didn't cover the mean threshold of that order block. 5-minute fair value gap and order block. Thank you. Do you have a Discord? I have, but I'm not active over there, brother. I'm active in my Twitter. So if you'd love to connect me through, you can connect me through my Twitter. Okay, I'm not interested. I mean, I'm not active in my Discord, but I'm absolutely active to my Twitter over here, to my Twitter. You will get the link to the comment box very soon. Don't worry. Just a second, guys. Let me actually see what is going on. So maybe I'm not able to read your comment. I want to see it is broken. Not good. Not good. Not good. Not good at all. Has to go above that high. At least that high. The best is if it can go and close above that high. This is the best case of scenario. It should not stay over here or sloppy. Do some sloppy thing over there. Should not do that. Should I close it? I'm not feeling comfortable over here. I'm not feeling comfortable. So what I can do, I do it or let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. I will put it over here. If I take a loss, it will be a very small loss, okay? I don't want to take that much risk right now because market should not do this. All it is doing is actually making this buy side liquidity more stronger. I don't want to see that. I wanted to see market will expand higher, at least close above this high or that high. But yeah, it is not doing that, so I'm not feeling comfortable. I would love to take a small loss instead of taking a huge loss. All I want to see, it should go through that Friday high. Okay, this last travel gap from 1 minute chart. This is the last travel gap from 1 minute chart. Market should not close below the constant cosment of that 1 minute last travel gap. Should not go. Over here I have the order block. Actually not order block, it's something, the middle down close candle which should respect the price. I mean, price should respect the down close candle. Okay, even if it would love to go lower a little bit, it can trade until that that candle. Okay, that's all I would love to say. So we'll see how it react. You don't puff, man. My heart is pumping. Man, I'm not feeling comfortable to hold it. Okay, that's the thing. I'm not feeling comfortable because market is just making the buy side liquidity stronger over there. Okay, so I think I made a bad decision. I should have closed it. Yep, I should have closed it over there. Very nice loss. Should have closed it over there. It should give me the reaction. It should have gone through that buy side liquidity above that high and take that high. Instead of that, it has made the buy side liquidity more stronger. Now we'll see. Blue did the knee. Okay, it's all good. You did the right thing when price stalled. Whatever. I'll see it again one more time how it react. This but certain levels you take profit 400 heavy volume. Brother, I don't see this, okay? Whatever you telling the 400, 300, something like that, I don't look for them, okay? It doesn't actually, it doesn't have any value to me, okay? Maybe it has a value, but I don't know how to do that, and I am not interested to do that. I know what is going happen over here. If market close below this parabolic gap one more time, I'm gonna take sell again because the origin, this is the origin of 22 YT model. Until this high is not broken, this setup is valid for me. I'll take a sell if market can close below this parabolic gap one more time. If it didn't and go higher, I'll just watch it. I know I do sometimes, I do the bad things because I trail my stop loss too fast. I don't give the price some freedom. Still, I'm profitable by that habit, so I don't want to change my habit. Okay, so yeah, while I'm seeing this market has made that relatively equal highs much more stronger. So I'm cool with that. Okay, okay, I understand. No problem, brother. And Sean Raid, whatever language guys you were talking about, I really don't know. Okay, so I am unable to read your comment or give you some kind of answer. Don't look at the money, just look at the quality of his setup. If it is advice, thank you, man, for giving me that advice. Yeah. I'm not gonna push my button, but if it can close below this parallel gap, if it can close below that parallel gap, this is only valid if market can close below this parallel gap. Until if it is not closed below that parallel gap, it's not valid. I'm not gonna push my button, okay? IC trading concept, what was the long setup that you took? This long setup, okay, over here. This long setup was actually depending on that liquidity. Okay, I was thinking that market is going to take that liquidity, so my entry will be here, stop loss will be here. uh, Actually, I saw that market has broken this perfect 22 YT model, so I was thinking that market will take that buy side liquidity at least. That's why I pushed my button. But when I saw this type of things, when it was consolidating around that area, to that area, specifically that area, it made me low confident. Okay, I was thinking that I shouldn't close, I mean hold my trade. That's why I trailed my stop loss, and you can see actually most of the time I get benefited by that. And I'm seeing this 22 YT model is absolutely valid. Why? Because this is the origin of that 22 YT model. Okay, market when failed to take that high, it's valid. When market will close below that fair value gap one more time, the candle will close, I will take my entry. Here I just covered the order block and my target is actually over here. You see all of this relatively equal lows and that area, that's my target. I will see actually how many handle is over there. 49 handle. Okay, if it is 49 handle, then I will take a partial below that those lows. I don't know, it came here already. Yeah, that would be my partial level if I take two contract. So that would be the first partial. If I take one contract only, I'll just put my stop loss over here. Just I will cover the constant encroachment of that fair value gap. I'll cover it over there. If I have one contract, if I have two contract, I have already taken the partial around that area. Okay. You really need that advice after making 75k in total profit. I agree with you, brother. After after that, I'll be happy to take that advice. JT Capital, what do you think about 15-minute price action? I have already explained that today is the manipulation. I told you what I'm expecting. Market can take that on. That if it left it like that way, I'll be very happy to see that. If it left it like that way, then I will be very happy to know that my weekly bias is absolutely perfect. Market is going higher actually. If it left that buy side liquidity like that way and it went lower, take the sell side liquidity. I'll be very happy to see that. This fair value gap should hold the price. Again, here is the order block, but I don't want to see it will reach until that order block. All I want to see, it should fall from that fair value gap. That's all I want to see. And again, guys, I actually trailed my stop loss too fast. Again, if you are, please don't follow anything. If I trail my stop loss, don't follow my trailing stop loss. It's my bad habit again and again and again. But I'm benefited by that, so I don't want to change my habit. That's all. Okay. This new day opening gap has been broken over here. I want to see one more candle close below the new day opening gap high. One more candle close below that high. If this candle can close below that high, I will be very confident that no, it has actually broken. So it will reach until the constant encroachment at least. Why the constant encroachment is over there? I have something done wrong. The constant encroachment should have been here. There. So it will reach until the constant encroachment at least. So for this fair value gap is holding the price. Only thing is market didn't trade. Okay, it has traded. It has traded the order block. Okay, it has traded the order block. I thought it didn't trade the order block. But when it has traded the order block on that area, yeah, market should not go higher one more time to trade that order block. One more time. Look where this candle closed above the new day opening gap high. See, it didn't close below the new day opening gap high. Still now I'm seeing this as a fake breakout. That means this new day opening gap high is still holding the price. Okay, it's holding the price. If it keeps holding the price, can expand higher again. Nothing is sure over certain over there. All I want to see, one more candle will close below that new week opening gap high. If I get another candle close below that new week opening gap high, then I'll be so confident that market will reach at least until that constant encroachment. All I need to see, another candle close below that new week opening gap high. This is how you will read the price. Okay, this is the reading price action, not a entry signal. So if you actually taking the entry signal from here and if you push your button depending on my analysis, then it's gonna be your responsibility. I'm not going to take any responsibility of your lose or of your profit. What do you think about 15-minute price, bro? So from 15-minute chart, Market has taken the buy side liquidity from Monday. Monday buy side liquidity has been taken. It's going lower to take that sell side liquidity. See this relatively equal lows. It should go toward that sell side liquidity. I love to see market to leave this high like that way. So this will be the relatively equal highs for tomorrow. I would love to see that. Where is my water? Where is my water? I got it. My This fair value gap should hold the price. Market should close below the new week opening gap at least one time. I'm not good. Put it here, here. Okay, I'll take a little loss. I'll better go for that. If body can close below this low, I'll put my stop loss to the break even. If body can close below this low, then only then I will put my stop loss to the break even. 266 people is watching now, and I got 100 likes. Not fair, man. Look how new week opening gap high is holding the price. Look at that. Why it is important? Because if you are in a trade, you will expect something, right? Why it is not going lower? Because this new week opening gap high is holding the price. That is why market is not going lower. When one candle will close, one more candle, okay, will close below this new week opening gap high, you will see the expansion. Trust me, man. Okay, I like the turtles forming right now to buy. Okay, I miss you. Okay, so you are a turtle soup trader. I don't know how to trade the turtle soup, but yeah, I'm thinking that market won't go higher until this sell side liquidity. Market is not going higher until this sell side liquidity is taken. Okay, I don't know about the turtle soup, but brother, I'm not agree with you. I'm sorry. Beautiful shorts 2022 model on the ES. School, Bob, I miss you. Yeah, yes, beautifully short until balanced price range. Okay, bounced from another small 50-minute parallel gap. School. So another candle closed below this new week opening gap high. All I would love to see expansion now toward the lower side. I want to see the expansion right now. It should not take that high. Now we are very near to 10. Maybe a week can go above that high. A week, okay? Because of the volatility around 10, it can go little higher, but I don't want to see that. All I want to see expansion lower. Why? The another candle when it closed below this new week opening gap, it confirmed that this is not fake breakout. This is not fake breakout. That means this new week opening gap high is broken, brother. Trust me that, I mean, market is telling me, okay? Trust me, I'm going lower. This simply this candle told me that. I would love to see if it can expand lower now because I got the confirmation that market is going lower. Just waiting for 10. Just one more minute. Just a minute. Can you please explain why it should not go up 948 candle fair value gap? 94.8 fair value gap. What is that fair value gap? 94.8 fair value gap. I didn't understand your question, brother. As I told you, this is your main setup. Market has taken the buy side liquidity, reversed from the 1 minute last fair value gap, gave you the market structure shift, there was your fair value gap, right? You have the sell side liquidity, very clean sell side liquidity. Market has taken the Monday high, so manipulation in my opinion it has done. Then market tried one more time to go higher of that high, failed to go above that high. So this setup is valid. Market should keep falling. When it will close below this parallel gap, it should keep falling until some kind of liquidity. Now over here, as I told, this could be my first partial if I had two contracts. If I had one contract only, then I will just put my stop loss over there and I will start to think that maybe market is going lower and I'm not gonna get stopped out. This is how I actually think. I don't know why you are asking me about this fair value gap, and I don't see any fair value gap at 948. I don't know why you asked me why. What was the reason over there to ask me that question? I like your way to read the market, brother. Thank you, Rafael. So in clip, fair value gap 1 hour support. What is that fair value gap? 1 hour bullish fair value gap or bearish fair value gap? Let me check. Over here, I have this 1 hour bullish fair value gap. So you're thinking that this 1 hour bullish fair value gap is going to hold the price. It can do that, brother. I have cleared my opinion, right? I have cleared my opinion what I am expecting right now, and I am just expecting that thing only. Until taking, I mean, before taking this sell side liquidity, market should not go higher. That's my expectation right now. I will see why I am not getting expansion yet. The reason is today's Tuesday, manipulation day. We don't have any news. We knew that beforehand that market is actually doing this type of sloppy price action. Sloppiness is expected from the market. Not bad, not good at all. If body close above that constant encroachment, if I were in that trade, I would close my trade. If body close above that constant encroachment, then I'm gonna close my trade, because I will say that market actually reached the area. It has taken this small fair value gap. It has done its job. Maybe a small loss, but yeah, done. When body closed above that constant encroachment, even if I was in that trade, I would close that one and I will just let it go. Market expand until this sells liquidity, and yeah, still I'm believing that market is going lower, but I won't be here in this trade, not anymore. The way I was confused about there, I don't want to be confused over here because of the precision. Even if it went lower, I don't care. I am not interested. Just no buy. I'm not interested to take buy, brother. I'm not interested to take buy. Market has already told me that it's going to fall. So I would love to see some fall first. If you want to take the buy, you can take the buy, no problem. But I'm not interested to take buy. When this candle close below this new week opening gap high, it has already told me that I'm going lower. So I'm not interested to take buy because I don't know how far it will go, and then it will stop, then it will keep going lower. That's why I just closed that tool. Still, I'm believing that market is going to fall. This is a valid inversion fair value gap according to my thinking. This is a valid inversion fair value gap. This high failed to take that high. This is my inversion fair value gap. So over here, I actually look for the inversion fair value gap. In this type of situation, actually I take re-entry. My stop loss is very small stop loss, and here, so entry will be here. Stop loss will be very tight. Okay, it has to be very tight, and that would be my another entry if I was closing that trade. Now you can say this is over trading. I don't see this as a over trading because I didn't get the precision over here. I closed my trade. I will re-entry over there depending on that inversion fair value gap. First entry I got stopped out, perfect. The second entry I was in break even. When I'm in break even, I have still a chance to mitigate my loss. So I will try one more time to mitigate my loss. All I want to see a body close below that line. That's all I want to see. Why this new week opening gap high is holding the price? Hello Titu bhai, Eid Mubarak, brother. Eid Mubarak, brother. Hope you are doing well. I have been busy with work, so have not been able to join your live streaming and trading. No problem, brother. Sometimes we are busy, we get busy, so sometimes we just let it go. We need the relaxation. Let the market do whatever it wants to do. Okay, let him to do that first, then come back again when you are free. I'm going to remove this hourly fabric because it's making me confused. Okay, so I'm gonna remove it from my chart. I'll have to hold it like here. That hourly fabric is actually confusing me, that's why I removed it, because in my opinion I don't see any importance of that hourly bullish fabric. Okay, some of you actually told me there is a hourly fair value gap, that's why I marked it. But in my opinion, I don't see that fair value gap as a useful fair value gap because my bias is bearish and I'm thinking that market is going to fall because of the narrative, because of the weekly expectation, because of everything. Okay, all I want to see a body close below that low. Now when this low is broken, so I want to see a body close below that low here. Until this social liquidity, no boom is going to create. No boom until this sells at liquidity. Now why this sells at liquidity? I have no idea. Okay, because this is not even a clean sells at liquidity. You can see maybe this liquidity is also valid. I mean all of this liquidity. So I will go until there. Okay, I will go until there. It's not a clean sell side liquidity over here. Like here it was clean, but it's not clean. Still this is the sell side liquidity because I'm expecting price will come here to take that sell side liquidity, the extreme sell side liquidity. When it is coming here at the in the way it is going to take those, so that is why I'm just marking that one. Okay, so I just change my target profit from there to here. Boom, macro. Oh, okay, you took a macro entry. If you took a macro entry and if it worked, congratulations, brother. A small boom is okay, lol. I didn't push my button, so I'm gonna go with this liquidity again, guys. Until this sell side liquidity is taken, I'm not bullish, I'm bearish. This run was unexpected, to be honest. I didn't want to see that run, but as I told you, market is not precise right now. Sometimes this type of shit happens. It happens. So we will see. How many handles over there? 25 handle, not enough. Not enough. Blowing the micro. Okay, I'm sorry. Let him breathe, man. I was just concentrating on the price, so I'm sorry for that. Still, it's a huge sound over there, brother. Let me know. And walk. I hit my stop loss again. It's gonna hit me one more time. Worked as a breakaway cap. That was the first parallel cap. Both of them has broken. Only buy. There is no buy for me, brother. Again, please. I'm not looking for buy. Again, if you are looking for buy, please go for that. But please don't say that only buy or only sell, something like that. I'm not interested to take buy. I saw that what it left over here. I saw it already, right, brother? I can see it. I have the relatively equal highs over there. So this high, set it over there. This high and that high, they are relatively equal highs now. I can see it by myself that there is a buy side liquidity. I'm not interested to take buy. Either I will try to take sell or I'll be stopped out, or I mean sorry, I will just let the buy go. I'm not just interested to take buy. That's all, brother. JT Capital, it's expected, man. Okay, it got stripped out. It's expected because today we don't have any news and we are going to see the what to say, I mean the manipulation today. So it's expected. That's why I thought that I'm not gonna push my button, but over here I pushed my button. That's why I'm just filling the market. When I will get another confirmation, I'm gonna push my button again because I take a small loss over there. I have to mitigate my loss. 15-minute bull parabolic gap holding. Okay, brother. If you just look this run as a bull setup, then when I frame that sell setup right over there, I got 25 handle already. I'm already profitable, right? I'm not seeing until here that it's holding the price. It's going higher or it's going lower. I am expecting market will go lower. That's all my expectation. I'll be happy to do that, man. So please, so that you'll understand, man. Where when I took that, I mean, outline that one until here, that was 31 handle, not small, huge. If you just look this one as a reversal from here to here, how many handle over there? Here to here, 29 handle. I outlined that on. I don't need to hold it until that sells at liquidity. I don't do that. If it is more than 20 handle, 25 handle, I always try to take the partial. Otherwise, I try to close as approximately as soon as I just close that trade. Okay, 30 handle, 28 handle, not small, man. Trust me. As I'm not pushing my button, that's why I try to hold it until the sell side liquid. That doesn't mean I'm wrong over here. Both of this entry is profitable. From here to here, 31 handle, profitable. To that inversion parabolic up entry over here. From there to there, 25 handle. Still I'm profitable, right? I don't need to hold it until here to that sell side liquidity. It's huge. Even from here to here, 42 handle. I don't need that 42 handle. I'm happy with that 30 handle, 25 handle, 40 handle, something like that. I'm happy with that. All I told you that I'm not interested to take buy. I don't believe that market is going higher. That's all I told you. Okay. Now, when it will take that buy side liquidity, then tell me that, brother, we told you that it's going higher. I can easily see this. This is the buy side liquidity. I can see it, man. I have the eyes. But I am not interested to take buy. That's all. I hope you'll understand, brother. I'm done for today, brother. Made 228 and locked out my top step account. Will come back to join if you streaming to the PN session. See you, man. See you, man. Does everybody understand? Okay. Can you explain why you are not expected to take buy just only short? I explained that at my beginning. Gabriel, I guess you were late. First, that was the high of the Monday. When market has taken that high, came to the 1 minute last parallel gap, tried two times to take that Tuesday high. Sorry, Friday high. It tried two times to take that Tuesday high, failed to take that high. Then market went lower. We don't have any news today. Okay, today's manipulation. Manipulation means this is called manipulation. Okay, you have sell side liquidity here, you have buy side liquidity here. Okay, this is Tuesday. So Tuesday will do, it will take the buy side liquidity, it will take the sell side liquidity. It will do this thing. This is the Tuesday's behavior. Now over here, if you see this high and that high, they were relatively equal highs. Okay, this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs at the same time. This is the most obvious liquidity. Market has taken that most obvious liquidity, failed to take that Friday high. Instead of that, it has made the relatively equal high. This is the part of the weekly analysis. In my weekly analysis, I told that I'm expecting bullish move this week. I'm bullish. I tweeted that most of the famous YouTuber, they are expecting bearish move for Nasdaq. So if anyone is interested, you can watch their video. I'm just against them. Okay, most of them are expecting Nasdaq will go lower. I'm just against them. Now, if it can left that buy side liquidity like that way, instead of that taking that buy side liquidity, go lower, take the sell side liquidity, maybe it will reach until that last parabolic gap. If it take that sell side liquidity, this low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. Over here, this low, that low, they are relatively equal lows. If it can take them, I'll be very happy to keep that buy side liquidity open like that way for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Market will go toward that buy side liquidity. When it will go toward that buy side liquidity, it will go until that buy side liquidity from the all-time high. That is why I'm not looking for buy. I'm looking for sell. I explained that when I started my stream. Okay, if anyone is late, that's not my fault. I have already explained that. What I'm going to expect. First, I expected that maybe market will take that buy side liquidity, then it will fall. But it left that buy side liquidity like that way. I told that I'll only take my sell when market will be below this new week opening gap. Then only then I will push my button. Over here, I pushed my button for buy. I was thinking that around 9:30, by looking the price action, I was thinking market will take that buy side liquidity, but it failed to take that buy side liquidity. It made me more confident that no, market is not going to take that buy side liquidity today. Can it take it today? Absolutely, it can take it today. But I am expecting market is not going to take it today. The reason is around 9:30, it failed to take that buy side liquidity. So when there was a volatility, market had a chance to take the extreme high from Friday. It failed. So market should not take that buy side liquidity. Instead of that, it should go toward that sell side liquidity. That is why I'm expecting lower run, not the buyer higher run. Okay. Again, that is the only reason I am not interested to take buy. Can market go over here and take that buy side liquidity? Absolutely, it can. I'm not. I'm not just interested. That's all, brother. I'm just not interested. Over here, when I outlined that on why I didn't push my button even after, just look at this. I took a buy over there, execution. Okay, I took a buy, but I got stopped out. I mean here somewhere, I guess. Yeah, yeah, I got stopped out over there. So I have a little small, I mean small losses over there. So I guess for 5 to 10 handles, something like that, I have losses. Still, I didn't push my button over there. If I pushed my button over there, I would I would be able to take at least 20 handle, because that was a 30 handle move. Then over here to that inversion parabolic up. Now it's look very small, but if you look over there is 25 handle. I will be able to take at least 15 handle. I'm not interested to push my sell button until this new week opening gap is not broken. When it will be broken, then I'll look for the sell side, because I am expecting market will go lower, but yeah, obviously it can go higher and take that buy side liquidity. This is the rules of trading. If I'm expecting lower run, I will wait for that price action. When I will get that price action, I'll push my button. If I don't get it, I'm not gonna push my button. Did I push my button for the sell? No, I didn't. I didn't. See this parabolic gap? Until this high is not taken, this parabolic gap has the power to stop the price again and again, send it for that sell side liquidity. Why this parabolic gap is so important? Because this is the origin. Around 9:30, the market started from 9:30. Okay, around 9:30, market first made this 22 YT model. Market structure shift, fair value gap. Now it went higher. What did ICT told? ICT told that take your entry over there, hold your stop, I mean put your stop loss above the high, at least the high which has made the fair value gap. So this candle has made the fair value gap, but what is the difference between these two candles? Very small, right? You have to put it over there, go for that obvious liquidity or low hanging fruit. So I can see this is all the consolidation. Low hanging fruit is over here. That should be the entry. Now over here, this is 31 handle stop loss. I'm not interested to push my sell over there, because this is 31 handle. Yeah, I tried to catch that run. I was thinking that market will take that bicycle with my fault. But yeah, I tried that on. If I told you that it's not good over here when market was doing this, I told you it's not good. It should take that on. When it is just doing this type of things, I told that should I close it? One guy, I mean, I didn't close it. That's all, because that is just a loss. Instead of that, what I did, I just trailed my stop loss. I saw this sell. I saw this sell. Still, I'm seeing some kind of sell over here. I'm not interested to take the sell. I'm not interested to take the buy because I'm not believing that market is going higher. Why I'm not believing that market is going higher? I just explained it. It's your job. Do you want to believe it or not? It's your job. Okay. If you are here only to take the buy or sell, I will suggest you please leave my stream. Okay, because I'm not here to give you the entry setup only. I'm here to read the price the way I read the price. I'm sharing my expectation the way I read the price. If you would love to take that, you are welcome. If you don't like it, when I'm just telling you that I'm looking for sell, you should not refer me that bull setup. You should not refer me that. Okay, because I'm looking for sell. Now you are here to learn. I'm sorry, brother, if you get hurt by my word, but it's the way you should learn. Now, if you here to find out that your expectation is right or not, then you are in a wrong stream. Okay. Over here, if I am looking for sell, you have to show me the way you can frame the sell setup, not the buy setup. You are not here to prove me wrong, brother. We told you that market is going hard to take that buy side liquidity. No, you are not here to do that. You are here to understand why I'm looking for sell and how can you frame your sell. You have to believe me 100%. You have to believe me. If you don't believe me, then how can I teach you, man? I can't teach you. I'm sorry if anyone get hurt by my word. I'm extremely sorry. Okay, I'm extremely sorry. But again, brother, if you are here, you have to trust me 100%. When I told you that this buy side liquidity is not going to be taken, you have to believe me. If you don't believe me, then there's no profit. Okay, there is no benefit being here. Now why market is doing this? It's not precise price action because of the news. We don't have any news today. I told you beforehand that that's why I'm not interested to push my button today. You have to believe me, man. As I told, until this sell side liquidity is not taken, I'm not interested to take that buy side liquidity. Can it do it? Absolutely it can do it. In that type of situation, I'll be wrong, but you have to be happy that okay, we tried to read a price action, but it didn't work. Every time I'm right? No, man, I'm not right every time. Sometimes I'll be wrong as well. But yeah, it is what it is. I hope that you'll understand. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Boom. Please share and subscribe. Thank you, brother. No, you are not hurt. You are good. Keep going. Thank you, brother. So I hope that Gabriel, you understand why I was not looking for buy. Okay, you have to take the notes, brother. You have to take the notes why I was looking for sell. Now it's not precise. Okay, sometimes market do this type of things. Sometimes you are not going to get the precise price action. When market closed here one more time, I wanted to see this run over here. Market didn't give it to me. Okay, I was okay with this run because that was around 10 a.m. Okay, the macro time. So I was cool with that run. But when market come back again, this run has to happen over there. It should not go back higher one more time. Not precise the price action. I tweeted already. We are not going to see the precise price action right now. Maybe we'll get it from May. Okay, sorry, not May, June. From June, we are going to get this precise price action. So sometimes it's messy, right? But you have to read the price action, brother. You can't just tell me that, brother, we are looking for buy. There is a bullish fair value gap. There is a setup. If you, if I am outlining a sell setup, if you are thinking that market is going higher, take it by yourself. Okay, then later if it works, come back to me and tell me, brother, I took that buy. That is a profitable trade. I'll be very happy. Or maybe you will be stopped out, no problem. You will let me know that you got stopped out. I'll be happy because you pushed your button by your analysis. But if I'm just outlining sell setup, if you keep telling me that there is some level over there for buy, I will I'll get confused, man. I'm not a robot. I'm a human being, okay? So I'm reading the price the way I read. If you just tell me something, it made me confused. Trust me, man. I can't focus on the price action. I can't do it, man. Please, I hope that you will understand. So this sell side liquidity has taken. Now Now market can go toward that buy side liquidity. Why now I am telling that market can go for that buy side liquidity? Am I expecting that? No, I'm not expecting that. I'm just expecting market will reach until that last fair value gap. That's my expectation. So it has taken, so I'm gonna remove it because market came to that entry fair value gap one more time. So how many times it reacted from there? See how many times it has been reacted from that entry fair value gap. So after taking that extreme sell side liquidity, this low and that low. I'm not talking about this sell side liquidity. I'm talking, yeah, market has taken that sell side liquidity. I'm happy. But when it has taken, market could go for that buy side liquidity. If you ask me what is my expectation until this last fair value gap, I'm bearish. After taking this last fair value gap, can market go for that sell side liquidity? Absolutely, it can go for that because this is the low of Friday. So today's manipulation, the way I explained the manipulation, market can do the manipulation until this sell side liquidity. Okay. Again, guys, if anyone get hurt by my word, I'm extremely sorry, but yeah, I had to tell you that because when I am looking for some kind of sell and you keep pushing me for the buy, I get confused, man. To be honest, I get confused. I'm a human being. I'm not a robot. I have emotion. Okay, I feel the market. I try to feel the market. Now, when I get that most of you are looking for buy, and I'm just looking for sell, it makes a lot of pressure on me. I started to think, okay, if I'm wrong, then a lot of people will tell me, brother, you are wrong. Okay, something like that. So I hope that you will understand, brother. We'll be happy for you. Do your own trades here to learn these guys. Yeah, that's my point, Diosul. Absolutely. Thank you, brother. Happy Eid, brother. I will do my own. If you are against me, go for that. I'm not telling you that please don't take buy. I never tell you that. But don't just give me the direction. I know where market is going, how it is going to work. Everything is missing over here is the precision. I told you already, right? Today we don't have any news, so we are not going to get the precision. That's why I told you do not push your button. Still, we are able to read the price, right? So here you are here only to read the price, the way you should read the price. That is the only reason you are here. You are not here to prove me wrong or to prove yourself right. Please, guys, try to understand, man. I'm amazed by how you read the price action. Thank you, Caesar. Fazlul Kobir. True. Confusion. Confusing. What is confusing, Fazlul Kobir? Glenn. Boom. Thank you, brother. It retest the 1 hour fair value gap. Maybe, brother. I don't know. Brother, when I'm not going to mark something over here, I mean, let me check. What did you say actually? 1 hour fair value gap. What did you say? You were talking about this fair value gap. Maybe. So it came here again. Again, brother. So yesterday, were you with me? Yesterday I told one thing. Okay, I told that when I mean suddenly it happened with me. I don't see the wrong setup. That means you were seeing this hourly fair value gap. I don't even look at that hourly fair value gap because I'm expecting market will reach until that last fair value gap. I'm expecting that market will reach over here. That is why I don't even look at that. Now, when you told me this, trust me, I'm now 50-50. I don't know what is going to happen just for marking that hourly fair value gap. Oh man, I don't know how to. Man, I told you that I'm expecting that market will reach until that last fair value gap. Until then, I'm not bullish. Okay, so please stop referring me the bullish fair value gap, please. Otherwise, I'll be very confused. And now, if you want, I can stop the comment box. I can do it, man. But if I do it, you will be hurt. You will get hurt by that. Please don't do that. How can I frame my sell setup now? I told you that I will frame my sell setup only if market is below that new week opening gap. Then I will frame my sell setup. See this fair value gap over here. If market come back again to that fair value gap, then give me a sell setup. I'll go for that. Okay. If it can make a entry fair value gap over here from 15-minute chart, come back again to that entry fair value gap. I'm not talking about this one. Why I kept it here? Because it's not broken yet. So I would love to see it's broken first. As I told, when market has taken all the liquidity, it can go for that buy side liquidity now. I don't want to see that. If it go over there, I'm not gonna push my button for that buy until it reach to that last fair value gap. Why? Why I'm not expecting that? Look how many times it tapped to that entry value gap. How many times? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 8 times it tapped to that entry value gap. What is that called? A zone. What type of zone is it? By support zone. This is a support zone. Why then market tapped so many times over there? Because that was Monday, accumulation day. That was the reason. Now everything I can teach you by one video, but yeah, this is how. Okay, please don't refer me any bullish fair value gap. If I see that market is going higher, I will refer that to you. Okay, I will tell you that now market can go higher from that fair value gap or that fair value gap, whatever. I'll tell you that. But before telling me, I mean before I outline that, don't refer me anything, please. Otherwise, I'll be really so confused, man. Please don't make me confused. Don't make me confused. That's my request. Please. Adi Alia. Thank you, brother, for taking that membership. All the comment box is now yours. It's all green. And when you have taken that membership, don't forget to send me some penguin, brother, from there. I really appreciate that one. If anyone direction against your thought, it's confusing. You are human being. Absolutely, Fazlukovi. That's the thing, man. That's my point. If I'm looking for sell and you just refer me a buy, I'll be confused because I'm a human. Okay, so don't make me confused. If you make me confused, it's not gonna be helpful for you, guys. Trust me, it's not going to be helpful for you. Okay, so far market went lower. It's cool. Let's see if it can reach until that last fair value gap or not. I am expecting market will reach at least until that last fair value gap. Then I will decide is it going higher or is it going lower from that last fair value gap. If the last fair value gap is broken, I will expect market is going to take that sell side liquidity. If the last fair value gap hold the price, then I will expect market is coming higher, take that buy side liquidity. This type of situation I'm waiting for. Adi, just don't forget to give me the penguin. Because you are a member now, you can send me the penguin. Uh, JD, Lenny, Peter, can you give me some penguin, brother? Monday take high of the week might have just formed. Maybe we now sell. Okay, Lenny. Yeah, we can. But yeah, I'm bullish for this week. Okay, so I'm gonna expect the lowest low of this week now today. The low of this week today. I'm gonna expect that low this week. Thank you, Peter. No problem, Adi Alia. Brother, thank you. Brother, I didn't see your name before. Adi. Are you new to my channel, brother? It is a beast of trader. Oh, no, no, don't say that. FX. Peter, thanks, man. Thanks for that penguin, man. Thanks for that penguin. Oh, man. Okay, this low didn't trade any fair value gap, so there will be no first fair value gap setup. So I just marked it as a low, but the first fair value gap setup is not valid from there. Okay, you did well today. Boom, took a break for me to do taxes. Lol. Okay, Jerry, no problem. Okay, penguin. Thank you, Peter Naganga. Thank you, man, for that penguin. Thank you, man. Larry P, don't be scared to enter. You are good at this. Larry, I'm not scared, brother. As I told, I'm not scared, but I don't want to build some bad habit inside of you. That's why I'm sorry for that pushing button. I shouldn't push that button as well. And yeah, I'm not interested to push my button again because today we don't have any news. We should not push our button. We should just read the price. Trust me, man. It will help you in a longer time. See this price action over here. It's not precise. Okay, market didn't follow the rules the way it should react over there. It didn't reacted like that way. That's why if you actually love trade depending on the precision, you will be stopped out over here. That is why I'm not just interest to push my button today, but I'm sorry for that pushing button. And yeah, I didn't see the precision as well over there. Whatever, anything over here was not precise for me. I knew market is where market is going because it confirmed here. Again, guys, around 9:30, market failed to take that high. We don't have any news, right? We don't have any news today. That means we have the volatility around 9:30. If market can take that high, it will take that high around 9:30. So 9:30, it failed to take that high one time, went lower, tapped to the new week opening gap, tried one more time to take that high, failed. What does it mean? Market is not going to take that high, it's just going to fall. Why it's going to fall? Because of the narrative. Today's manipulation, the market is going to do the manipulation. Here is your sell side liquidity, here is your buy side liquidity. Okay, this is the sell side liquidity, this is the buy side liquidity. Market has taken the buy side liquidity, there is the extreme high, just a single high, not the buy side liquidity, single high. Buy side liquidity is over here. Market has taken the buy side liquidity, it tried to take that highest high around that area, around 9:30, failed to take that high. Instead of that, where it should go, toward that sell side liquidity. Why? Today's manipulation day, so market should take that relatively equal lows. Do I have any more relative, I mean relatively equal lows or sell side liquidity below me? Absolutely we have. Where? Here. This is also the relatively equal lows around that area. See, this is the relatively equal lows around that area. Here, this high and that high, sorry, this high, they were the buy side liquidity. Did market take the buy side liquidity? Absolutely, it has taken the buy side liquidity. Why it left it like that way? Because my bias is bullish. I am bullish for Nasdaq. I'm thinking that market is going higher today, this week. Let me go to the 15-minute chart one more time. I'm sorry, guys. If my bias is bullish, for the weekly bias is bullish, this is accumulation day in Monday. I know it beforehand. I already know it that how market is going in Monday. No, I'm not a future reader. Okay, you will know that if you know what is narrative. You know that, right? How it is going to work in Monday. In Tuesday, it is manipulation. If your bias is bullish, weekly bias is bullish, you will expect this type of things. In Monday, it will accumulate it. Then in Tuesday, market will manipulate it lower. Everything will be manipulated. Wednesday, market will go toward the buy side liquidity. Thursday, continuation of the buy side liquidity. Friday, reset. You know that beforehand. Now my bias is bullish. I got the accumulation. So here is my accumulation. I explained the accumulation yesterday perfectly. How beautifully the accumulation was. Then market went higher. Take that accumulation high. Take that accumulation low. I have the extreme sell side liquidity over here. As it is manipulation, it can take until here or it can reverse from that last parabolic gap. We will see that. Okay, don't worry, we'll see that. If just think it actually taken that on, then it will stop over here somewhere. Okay, something like this. I'm expecting today is going to stop like this way. Around this area, no, it can stop here as well. No problem with that. If it stop over here, no problem. If it stop over here, that is also no problem. But if it stop over here, I'll be very happy. Now tomorrow is Tuesday. Sorry, Wednesday. What market will do? Market will make another buy side liquidity around that area. I will have this buy side liquidity. See this buy side liquidity? I will have that buy side liquidity. Market will make another buy side liquidity through the London session or before the London session by using the Asia session. Then market will go lower. It will take that swing low. The liquidity has taken. Boom. It will go lower, make some kind of liquidity, take that liquidity, boom. Again, it will make some kind of liquidity, take that liquidity, boom. This buy side liquidity has taken. Yeah, it's taken. So you're done, right? You are done with Wednesday. How Wednesday will close? It will close like this way. Now there is the part of Thursday. It will go little higher maybe. Then it will take the sell side liquidity again. Boom. Same thing like Wednesday. Boom. Boom. This way it will reach until the buy side liquidity here. This is my extreme buy side liquidity. It will reach until there. Then it will in Friday it will come back again into the range, or maybe in Friday it will go higher, little more higher, then it will go little lower. So we will talk about the Friday when it will be there. This is all an idea. You should have known that beforehand. Okay, you don't need to wait for me to know that how it is going to work today. Why I'm so confident about the sell? Because I read the price like that way. I'm not reading the price from today's price action, just from 15-minute chart or daily chart, not from today. I'm reading this price from Sunday because I've done the Sunday analysis already. Why I'm doing the Sunday weekly analysis? Because it's important. Absolutely, it's important, man. You have to understand that. Is it going higher now? I don't believe it. Market didn't reach to that last parallel. So I'm not going to believe that market is going higher. So it has taken this extreme swing low. I'm not expecting that market is going higher now. It has to reach to that parallel gap first. Then if it wants to go higher, it can go higher. Otherwise, I'm not interested. Can it go little higher now? Absolutely, it can go little higher. Why? Because there can be a entry parallel gap from 15. I'm gonna remove it from my chart. There can be a entry parallel gap from 15-minute chart, last parallel gap from 15-minute chart. Price can reach any of these parallel gap first before falling again. It will be the reaction, a reaction from a random area, right? From a random area, absolutely. Market has taken the liquidity. There is your market structure shift. There is your parallel gap. Over here, you have this order block around that area. See this order block, the down close candle from 15-minute chart. Mark the high of that order block. Mark the 50% of that order block. If it can close below that 50%, that is not a random area in that type of situation. I've made all of this video in my YouTube. Just watch them, man. Watch them. Okay. Now, am I clear, guys? Peter, why lol, man? Where is the spanner boy? Who is the spanner boy, Lenny? Block Sony. Who is Sony? We can say that no entry for today. We can say that no entry for today. Yeah, we can say that, Sony. No entry for today. We can say that, brother. The reason is today we don't have any news. That's why, okay? Again, beautiful analysis. I'm here to learn, see the market like you do. Please waste no time with explaining to those who are not here to listen and learn. Anyone using my okay, Sunrise, thank you, sister. Yeah, sometimes when I'm just reading the price and you guys just keep pushing me for the buy, I just lose my with that. Then guys, Walaikum Salam. Walaikum Salam. কে? ও ইনজাম, হ্যাঁ ভাইয়া, কি অবস্থা তোর?
এই আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, আপনার মনে কোনো খোঁজ খবর নাই, অপরিচিত নাম্বার, এই জন্যই ধরলেন নাই।
না, আমি তো হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে কল আসছে, এই জন্য আমার ফোনে কল আসলে তো আমি ধরতাম না। আমি তো বাগেরহাটে, শোনা।
আমাকে কি একদম ভুলে গেছেন না?
না, আমি ভুলে যাইনি। আমি আমি কষ্ট পাইছি অনেক আর কি, বুঝছো? ভুলে যাইনি।
আমার তো কোনো কষ্ট তো আর
না,
হলো না।
আপনাকে উপরেই কষ্ট পাইছি আর কি।
কিসের কষ্ট তো বলেন দিই শুনি।
আচ্ছা, আসবানি, আমি আইসে বলবানি। আমি ঈদের পরে আসবানি আর কি। ঈদের পরে
আপনারে
আসবানি।
মানে যারা একজন একজনের মতো খুঁজে বেড়াচ্ছি আপনার। ভাই ভাবে কিরাম আছে ভাই?
থাপড়াবানি বান্দরেরটা। ঈদের পরে আসবানি, ঈদের পরে এসে বলবানি, বুঝছো?
ভাই
হ্যাঁ, বুঝছি। ইনজাম, ইয়া ওই আরে না, আমি তো খেলা শুনি। আরে নাম কস না কেবড়া।
জামিল জামিল
জামিল জামিল জামিল জামিল।
ভাই
ও বাটি, আমি ঈদের পরে আসবানি, বুঝছো? না 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 না, আমি কিছুই বলি নাই। আমি ঈদের পরে আসবেন ইনশাল্লাহ। ঈদের পরে আইসে তারপরে কথা হবে না। আমি তোকে উপরে অনেক কষ্ট পাইছি, এটা হচ্ছে সত্যি কথা। আইসে বলবানি, আইসে বলবানি, সমস্যা নেই, টেনশন নিস না, আইসে বলবানি। ঈদের পরে ইনশাল্লাহ আইসে তারপর বলবানি।
আপনি কষ্ট আমাকে বেশি দিচ্ছেন, আপনি যে কষ্ট পাইছেন না,
রাখ
কষ্ট
রাখ
বেশি দিচ্ছেন,
রাখ, বুঝছি বুঝছি। পাপ কম ধরে রাখ, আমি আইসে বলবানি।
বুঝলেন?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আইসে বলবানি রে বেটা।
আচ্ছা।
ওকে। Where are you from, brother? I'm from Bangladesh, brother. I'm from Bangladesh. Why such a sharp fall? Why? It was the manipulation, brother. It has to fall like that way, but that fall I was expecting from there. From there, I was expecting that fall from there, but it fall from here. So it betrayed with me. Guys, can I buy CME data without trading view plan? Simo OT. Okay, I can give you something. I mean, for the first time, you have to buy the plan, but for the second time you can cancel the subscription for the plan, but you can continue the data plan. You can do that, Simo. Okay, so for the first time you have to buy the plan, the trading view plan, then you can just keep continue with the data only. That's what I am doing. Okay, dollar dynasty, I need to learn your language. It's Bengali, brother. Okay, I got some subscriber. I think near about 9 subscriber I got today. Thank you. Still 9 subscriber is huge. In this type of situation, 9 subscriber is not bad. Oh man. How are you? I'm fine, Robin. How are you, brother? Timothy, thanks, brother. No problem. Noman Khan, good brother. How to do by completing ICT 12 month? How to do by completing ICT 12 month? What is that? What is ICT 12 month? Like guys, like the video. Didn't they give me the like? 147 likes. Make it at least 150, guys, please. Can you tell us how you use TradingView free? I'm not using TradingView for free, man. I'm just paying the bill for the data. Okay, I'm not using TradingView for free, man. हम हो तुम्हारे ভালোবাসি, আমি তোমারে ভালো। Okay, discipline man. You tried to tell me that you love me. Thank you, man. I love you too. ভাই আপনি আশ্চর্যজনক. Now you guys are just using the Google Translate. It's not fair, okay? It's not fair. So market is very near to that last parabolic up from 15-minute chart. If you go to your 15-minute chart here, this is the last parabolic up. I would love to see price will tap that last parabolic up first. Then it can reverse until the entry parabolic up over here. So I'm gonna mark it as my entry parabolic up. That area. This is my entry parabolic up, entry bearish parabolic up, okay? And over here, this is my last parabolic up. I'm not gonna mark it right now. First, I will see when market will be inside this entry parabolic up. Is it going to give me any setup from there toward that sell liquidity? Now, I'm expecting reaction from the last parabolic up. Okay, from here, I'm expecting the reaction. I will expect the reversal from there. I will expect the reaction from here. Something like this, man. This is the reaction. This is the reversal. I will see. Okay, I will just look at the price, and I'll be here with you until the AM session complete. Okay, guys, just make some likes. Don't forget to give me the likes. And if you are new, you're welcome to subscribe to my channel. Okay. T2 by D. Okay, Priyanto. Yeah, by D. Do you need data subscription for top step? No, you don't need that. If you are using top step, you don't need that data subscriptions. But sometimes I spend my time with the paper money, so I need the data. As I'm in top step right now, I don't need that data subscription. I mean, after completing ICT core content, then how much backtesting we should do? No one, I can't tell you that. How can I tell you that? I didn't complete the, I mean, I didn't study the core content, brother, to be honest. So I can't tell you that. Backtesting, it is going to depend on you. How much dedicated, I mean, how much you are dedicated for this. It will depend on that. আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি, absolutely সুযোগ, that's the exact one. আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি, that's the thing, man. Do you buy yearly data, bro? No, man. I'm in Bangladesh and I am actually using my friends. I'm not friends. He's my elder brother. Actually, he lives in Portugal. I'm using his credit card to buy only the monthly subscription. That's all, brother. I'm unable to buy it from Bangladesh. So you said you were bullish and now you are saying bearish. No, I never saw say that Forex learn. Okay, Forex learn. I never saw say that I'm bullish. Absolutely, I'm bullish, but it's the weekly basis. In weekly basis, I'm bullish. Market is going higher, but I mean Forex, you are late, brother. I have already explained everything. Okay, it's not FFZ. What is FFZ? It's IFVZ. Please don't rebrand ICT. No, I'm not doing that. Forex learn. You please leave my session, okay? Because you will just come, you join here, and you are thinking that I rebrand something. Okay, so please don't give me some kind of precision. I don't give a shit to you or the people like you. Okay, so you just join and started to tell me I was bullish, I'm bearish. I'm just spending my time from 9. Okay, not like I started here and started to tell something. Just get out from here. Okay, just get out from here. I don't need this type of people who are here to just try to correct me. I don't need this type of people. Just leave me. No, I'm not in a good mood, so don't make me angry today, please. We're with you in this journey. I see training concept, Titu brother from another mother. Hey Avix, how are you, brother? It is equal to trading beast with 6% Avix, don't say that. If we are bullish for the week, would we not look for a long entry from the last fair look at Ben Cruz? You have to understand the fact again, brother. If you are bullish for the weekly basis, you have to look for the lower manipulation today. Today is Monday, sorry, Tuesday. Monday was the accumulation. This is the part of the narrative. Monday was the accumulation. Today is the manipulation. So I have this extreme sell side liquidity. Look over here. I have this extreme sell side liquidity over here. Okay. Market can take that extreme sell side liquidity as today is the manipulation. Market has taken the buy side liquidity. It can take the sell side liquidity now. If it failed to take that sell side liquidity, it can go higher from here. I don't want to see that. I would love to see market will go, at least it will try to take that sell side liquidity today. I'm expecting that one. But yeah, still I'm not looking for bullish now. I'm still looking for bearish until at least the new day opening gap or the sell side liquidity. Until any of this level, I'm bearish. Okay, Thursday. Yeah, this is the manipulation day, so you have to expect the manipulation only. The manipulation. It's gonna be the manipulation. If you'd love to take the entry, you can take it. So you can see this is a market structure shift over here. This is a market structure shift. Maybe this is your first parallel gap. This is your breakaway gap. You will take a buy over there, then you will expecting that market will go higher. I'm not interested to take that one. The reason is market failed to tap that 50-minute last parallel gap. Let me check from the hourly chart. Is there any hourly parallel gap or not? Yeah, there's nothing from the hourly chart as well. So let me go to 50-minute chart one more time. Until this candle close, I will get the 50-minute parallel gap. So I will stay here and I will mark the 50-minute entry parallel gap. While I am expecting that market will tap to that entry parallel gap, or it will come until the last parallel gap, then it will keep falling until this sell side liquidity or new day opening gap at least. Which prop firm you use, brother? Top step, brother. I am using top step. 15-minute bull parallel gap was a reaction or drama in morning. Yeah, man. Thank you. Gotta go back to being a happy taxpayer here. Okay, man. See you again, brother. This is unicorn. What is unicorn? I am not looking for unicorn here. So market has made the 15-minute entry fair value gap. I'll be in 1 minute chart. All I'm expecting now, market will come back again to this entry fair value gap. Then it will give me a sell setup from this fair value gap. I'm expecting like this way. Okay. Can market keep going higher? Absolutely. As I told you, market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap. It will take the fair value gap. It will keep going higher. Maybe it will do that, but I am not agree with that. I will be against that because market is reversing from a random level. This is the 50-minute last fair value gap. It failed to reach until that last fair value gap. Instead of that, I'm seeing this is the entry fair value gap. From here, market should fall again toward that sell side liquidity. As today is the manipulation day. Okay. Can market go higher? If you are looking for buy, if you think this is the perfect setup, go for that. I have no problem. I'm not interested. I'm not interested at all to push my button as well. Okay, makes sense. Thanks again, Tito. You are the best. Okay, no problem, Ben. I'm not the best. Pay attention, new viewers. It goes in great detail of his analysis as the market moves. Absolutely, man. That's the fact. If you just join me and start to tell, brother, you told that market is going bullish and now you are telling bearish. How can you keep calm, man? Is it really possible? What I'm doing here from the 9 a.m. then? I'm just, I don't know what to say. This type of, I mean, shit people. These people are really shit. They will never be profitable. They will never let others to be profitable. I hate this type of people. Ahorit Dotto, brother, I guess you are new, brother. Please don't refer me 4 hour or 5 minute, okay, brother? 4 hour I don't go, 5 minute I don't go. If I go over there, I will explain why I'm over there. Otherwise, don't refer me those time frame. I don't look the chart from there. Market reacted from 4 hour fair value gap. Imran, for you as well, brother, please don't refer me 4 hour. Brother, on my chart, it reached last fair value gap. Please check. I'm using trading view as well. Okay, let me check it. Yeah, it can happen, brother. Okay, sometimes can happen. It can happen. Okay. Well, uh, in my chart, it didn't. In my chart, it didn't. You see, there is a gap. I don't know. Are you looking for NQ1, brother? So market tap to that entry fair value gap. I will look for a sell setup now. If I get the sell setup, I'll be very happy to take that on. If it keep going higher, I'm not interested to take the buy. Okay, again, I'm not interested to take the buy. Again and again, I'm telling the same thing. If you are looking for buy, you can go for that. I'm not interested to take the buy. Again and again. So can you pay attention a bit to my question, please? Just say my name and I will write. Train simulator. What is your question, brother? Can you pay attention a bit to my question, please? What is your question? Okay, I'm gonna I'm reading your name. Please write down the question, brother. There come only for signal. Yeah, I agree with you, brother. Even if you did, what's wrong with that? If you if you can change your mind quickly, you can buy and sell all day. Okay, 4 hour fair value gap. Okay, I don't go for the 4 hour fair value gap again, brother. So they are not happy to see your price action. I guess so. 1850% weekly week. Okay, but this type of people are the ones you need to lose so you can make money. Okay, trade. So the market just sold off so strong because it failed to take the Friday high. But what about the daily frame? No, it didn't fall dramatically because it failed to take that Friday high. It didn't fall for that. It has fallen because it has taken the buy side liquidity, most obvious buy side liquidity over here. Just let me show you. This high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. The most obvious buy side liquidity is over here. This is called the obvious buy side liquidity. Market has taken that obvious buy side liquidity trade that 1 minute last fair value gap, fall lower. Why it has fallen? Because today is manipulation. Market has taken the buy side liquidity. Now it has to take the sell side liquidity. Why I'm talking about here in 15-minute chart? The reason is I'm gonna push my button in 1 minute chart. So I need the 15-minute time frame, 15-minute liquidity, 15-minute fair value gap, everything I need from lower time frame. This 15-minute lower time frame is going to be used as my higher time frame. If you come here to your daily chart, from your daily chart you will have a clear idea. Okay, so let me actually remove all of this thing. I'm gonna remove all of this thing. Everything is cleared. Okay, over here at the beginning of my stream, what did I say? This candle was the inside candle. This candle was inside the Friday candle, right? What should market do? Look before what happened. This is also a inside candle. This candle is inside that candle. What happened? Look again. This candle is inside that candle. What happened? Boom, boom. Is there any other inside candle? Inside candle, inside candle, inside candle, inside candle. Let me find here. Just look at this candle. This candle is a inside candle. That means this high failed to take that high. This low failed to take that low. So this candle is inside the previous day range. What happened? Market went lower, take the low, boom. Is there any other inside candle? Let me find it. Is this going to work every single time? Not man, not every single time. How many times I have shown it to you? Like not every time, but yeah, most of the time you are going to see that. Why it is good working? I mean, doing that from the daily chart. From the daily chart, I have the idea why market is doing this. Because the yesterday was a inside candle of Friday. So market has taken the buy side liquidity. Now it is going to take the sell side liquidity. It has taken the sell side liquidity already. There is two type of situation now. It can consolidate or it can go for this extreme sell side liquidity. See this sell side liquidity, it is the extreme sell side liquidity. If it takes that extreme sell side liquidity, isn't it going lower now? No, it is all trading inside this fair value gap. Look at this daily fair value gap over here. It is all of this price action is inside here. Where the price came to the constant encroachment exactly to that daily fair value gap. Why this fair value gap is important? Market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap. Price trade that fair value gap, went higher. I thought this is the order block. Market tapped to that order block, went higher one more time, come back again, trade that order block or something, whatever it is, made that unfilled area. This unfilled area is filled now. I will only look for the breaker block here. Low, high, lower low. If market can close above that high, this will be my daily breaker block. This candle will be my daily breaker block. If market can go little below of that low or maybe inside this low, if it go below that low, then the middle up close body close candle, this will be my breaker block. So it will all depend from the daily chart. Here from the daily chart, this is the way I see the price. Here in 15-minute chart, why I am in 15-minute chart? I can't push my button depending on that daily chart. So I have to wait from 15-minute chart. I have to look for the fair value gap from 15-minute chart to frame my 1 minute trade, 1 minute setup. Here I have this entry fair value gap. From daily chart, what I know, market has taken the Monday low, Monday high. Both of them are taken. Two type of things can happen now. First thing, market will keep consolidating. Second thing, it can go toward that sell side liquidity. Can it go toward that buy side liquidity over here? So this high and that high are relatively equal highs now. Can it go toward that buy side liquidity? Absolutely, it can go toward that buy side liquidity. Do I want to see that? I don't want to see that. So when I'm not expecting that market is going to do that, I'm not going to look for any buy setup. Instead of that, I will look for only the sell setup. If I get a sell setup from either this entry fair value gap or the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart, I will go for that sell. If market give me the opportunity to take a sell, market structure shift, maybe first fair value gap entry, maybe breaker block entry, anything. If I get it, I will go for that sell. If market come here, this was a perfect setup, right? Market taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap trade, market is going higher. Am I interested to take that buy? No, I'm not interested to take that buy. If market go higher, take that buy sell. What is going to happen? I just missed all of the moves. All of the moves I'm gonna miss. For example, over here, When market went higher, there was a fair value gap. Market tapped to that fair value gap. It has taken the liquidity, right? Here, just look. It has taken the liquidity. This swing high is valid for shifting market structure. You got very nice displacement. There was your fair value gap. Look here. There was your fair value gap. Market tapped to that fair value gap. Boom. I'm not interested. Even if market take that buy side liquidity, I don't care because I'm looking for sell. If I get a perfect set, was there any perfect setup? There was a perfect setup when this parabolic gap created, market failed to take that high. Maybe you will be stopped out for the first time. The second time you will take the entry, you are not going to be stopped out. Never ever again. Market fall. I didn't do anything over there. If you'd love to take that entry, you can take them, or maybe you will just wait because today we don't have any news. We are not expecting some volatility. So every type of this type of volatility is unfair price action. Why market is doing this unfair price action? Because this is the time of the manipulation, yearly manipulation. So we are seeing the yearly manipulation to this. I mean this month and the next month is the manipulation, so I'm expecting the higher manipulation. Market is going to go make the all-time high this month and the next month. I mean this month at least. Next month I don't know, but then market will start to change the direction. It will be bearish again. Okay, bro, you took a long in premium, so that's why it was a lose. Thank you, Ofir Costa. Thank you, brother. I'm sorry. I should not take that one. I'm sorry, brother. I will never do that again. As he had yesterday, the day inside the previous day. So what is that? So the market just sold off so strong because it failed. Okay, I gave you the answer over there, trains. Now I understand the daily frame as well. Thanks, no problem. Okay, 1 hour inversion fair value gap. I'm not interested to take any kind of buy again. Yeah, nice tried. Thank you, Joe. Is this fair value gap at 1034 considered as last fair value gap? 1034. Let me check that 1034. Absolutely, this is the last fair value gap because this is a leg. This is a leg which has finished here. Then retrace, another leg, retrace, another leg, retrace, another leg. Every leg you will look for the fair value gap. If you have more than one fair value gap, then it will be last fair value gap, entry fair value gap. If you have one fair value gap, then that will be the last fair value gap. Absolutely, this is the last fair value gap. Is there any swing low which is valid for shifting market structure? No, there is no swing low which is valid for shifting market structure. Is there any first fair value gap entry? No, there is no first fair value gap entry as well. Do you think new traders should trade with micro NQ rather than mini NQ to mitigate the losses? Imran, I never trade micro, and for me the micro price action is different. Okay, I can't read the micro price action. It's absolutely different comparing with Nasdaq mini 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 contract. Okay, so I can't give you any advice. I mean according to that issue, I think you should do some research. Ravin brother, you say market can't reverse from random area. If market give downside emerges, we can take short till 15-minute fair value gap. Absolutely, brother. I agree with you. If I get that, I'll be happy to take that one. I'm not interested to push my button today because we don't have any news, and I'm not interested to push my button. But yeah, if you think like that way, that's the only thinking I'm right now. I'm thinking Robinhood. Do you think the target 17332 NQ 17332 what we have over there? No, this is the sell side liquidity. The maximum sell side liquidity is over here, 18051. So even if market would love to go lower, it can reach until that sell side liquidity. So I'm not interested to go 17 something over there. Okay. What do you think about this being 1 hour manipulation lower in first accumulation of MMBM WP? What do you think about that? What do you think? Let me know that. What do you think? Is it going to work like that way? Let me know that, brother. Hi, sir, are you using 0930 Fab lookup entry? Yep, that's the perfect entry. Perfect Fab lookup for entry. Kisama? না কেন লাগবে? না কারণ let me check, Sergio. Yeah. Mm, so far it's a perfect inversion Fab lookup. Nothing is wrong over there. We will see, okay? It's a perfect inversion Fab lookup from hourly chart. So this is the hourly Fab lookup, which can be worked as the inversion Fab lookup. I'm not a great fan of hourly chart, brother. That's why if I see any comment about hourly or 4 hour chart, I try to skip them. চার চার 2024 4/4 2024 this is not inversion Fab lookup. This is not inversion Fab lookup, brother. If you look this one, this can be the inversion. This has no way to be the inversion Fab lookup. In my opinion, it has no way to be the inversion Fab lookup. There are some platform like Motivwave. Motivwave, you can chart the mini and execute one micro. This this is for the friend who asked. Okay. The brother who was asking me about the mini and micro, you can contact with Jack T. Maybe he can help you about that. Okay, brother. It looks like it is reacting of the daily order block mean threshold. Let me check, brother. Yeah, absolutely, it's true. Absolutely, it's true. We will see. Okay, just give it little more time. It will understand. It will tell us what is going to happen. Just give it a little more time. It will decide what it is going to do. I mean, from daily chart, just if I go to daily chart now, for example, from daily chart, what you have seen, market went lower again. Okay, it come here, take that liquidity, then go higher, closed over there. Still, you will see it has reacted from the constant, I mean, mean threshold of that water block, right? But already market went lower, take the liquidity, come back again higher. So from daily chart, you can't it's really difficult. Okay, I don't know you understand my logic or not. This is the mean threshold of that water block, right? Here it came to that mean threshold, reacted from that mean threshold. What is the rules? The rules is body can't close below the mean threshold. That's the rules. What it can do, it can easily go lower, take that relatively equal loss, go back again above the mean threshold, closed over there. Still this mean threshold is valid, right? So from daily chart it's really difficult. I don't know how you get me or not. Mhm. Bye, go for that, Martin. So the next couple days may be nice green day. I believe so, brother. I believe so. Hmm, you're right. It's time to buy. Time to buy some penguin. Is it? It is time to buy some penguin. Okay, I. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna remove this hourly fair value from my chart. I'm not looking for that. It's time for buying some penguin. The schoolman. Uh, do you take any trade in this session? I took 3 to 4 trade, brother. Leah and her trades. Okay, sister. We still didn't tap to 15-minute fair value gap. I'm bearish for now. I'm also bearish, sister. You're late. Check 4 hour fair value gap, brother. I don't go to 4 hour fair value gap. Okay, again and again, I'm telling you guys. I don't go to 4 hour fair value gap or 4 hour chart. Please don't refer me 4 hour chart. What do you have in 4 hour chart actually? Okay, so from 4 hour chart, you saw that market was inside this fair value gap. Now it went higher. What do you think if something happened like this? From here, market come back again to that fair value gap. Maybe it went little lower, closed that fair value gap over here perfectly, then go back again here. What do you think? Can it happen? Still, you will see 4 hour fair value gap reacted that fair value gap, right? I mean, sorry, 4 hour candle actually reacted from that 4 hour fair value gap. Still, you will see that, right? Oh, man. How do you know that this is the end of this run? You have still 2 hours 37 minutes left before closing this candle. It can easily come back again and closed here. Let me mark it. Within 2 hours 37 minutes, it can come here, right? It can come here and it can close there. Then market will go higher again. Later, when you will come, what do you see? You will see 4 hour fair value gap reacted perfectly. But right now, think about right now. If you are in 1 minute chart, how can you frame? How do you think right now? Is it reversing or it can come back again over there? How do you know that? That is why I don't use 4 hour chart, brother. It's too far. It's too big to frame your trade from 1 minute chart. If you'd love to frame your trade from 15-minute chart, I mean, you are actually looking for a buy or sell from 15-minute chart, okay? Then you can use the 4 hour chart. If you are looking for buy or sell from 15-minute chart, I'm not looking for buy or sell. My entry timeline is not 15-minute chart. I can't frame I mean, read my price from 4 hour chart. Man, I can't do it. I have to read it from 15-minute chart and I can execute my trade 1 minute chart. That is why I told you that I don't go to 4 hour chart. That is the only reason. But later, when, for example, from 1 minute chart, you saw market actually came here, then market came here. For example, something like that within 2 hours, 37 minutes. Then you will go to your 4 hour chart. What do you see then? You will see market actually perfectly came to this fair value gap, then it closed above the fair value gap. And you will say, brother, see, it came to this 4 hour fair value gap. But think practically, man. When you are in 1 minute chart, what happened already over there? Think practically, okay? I hope you'll understand, brother. Hmm. Okay. Can you explain more on monthly manipulation about quarters? I mean, so I'm not interested to do that right now, brother. I'm not prepared for that. Okay, so I can't just start to talk about something I didn't see for long. I took trade from breaker after this massive down move. Was expected price tap 15-minute fair value gap, but thanks God closed earlier, $950 profit. Congratulations, sister. Give me some money. Leah, give me some money, sister. Just give me $2. You can put it in a text on your screens at all times. Please don't refer me to for our 5-minute premium discount. It is traha. Okay, the first thing is I don't know how to use this everything ICT portator, but he is my friend. He actually set up everything for me. He did it for me. Okay, so I have no idea how to do that. If I just write it down, it won't be here, right? Because I have to move my chart. I can't put it over there. So maybe it's all about from the OBS studio, but I don't know how to do it. It a great explanation of using high time frame for framing lower time frame trade. Alhamdulillah, learning a lot from you. Jazakallah. Thank you, Imran. Thanks, man. But that was a nice idea, Mystery. Dio, so happy Eid, everyone. Happy Eid, Dio. You back or you are going back? I mean, you are just going. You're leaving us. Bro, do you know about unicorn model? Absolutely, I know. In 15 minutes, there is a bearish breaker at 18265. Let me check. 18265. So you are talking about here, this one. I told that there is no breaker for me. Okay, around this area from 15 minutes chart, I don't have any breaker. I have already built a video about the breaker block. Please watch that one. In my opinion, there is no breaker block. High, low, higher high. This is the lowest down close candle. You can see this is your breaker. That is absolutely perfect because ICT told us what is breaker. He was already explained that, right? So between two highs, so high, low, higher high. When market will close below that low, then this will be your breaker block. You will take your sell over here. This is not the breaker according to me. Okay, according to me, this is not the breaker. Market doesn't need to respect that breaker block. Doesn't need to respect that breaker block. If it falls, maybe you will see it has been fall from that breaker block as your unicorn model. I will see it is falling from the entry fair value gap or maybe from the last fair value gap. So yeah, that's all, brother. I'm not just interested for the breaker block over there because it doesn't meet any rules. Okay, I got another member. All the comment box is now yours. Sizo Saj, how are you, brother? When you take that membership, give me the penguin, man. You have to give me the penguin. What does EFBZ means? It's called entry fair value gap. Thank you, Sizo, for that penguin, man. I'm traveling, brother, but will never leave. Thank you, Dio, for that compliment, man. Thank you, man. Bro, I tell you in Twitter how to put text in obvious. I forgot that, brother. I forgot it, to be honest. But yeah, it's okay. Maybe I will do that later. Elena Costa, yes, okay, no problem. Elena, did you change your name? Sizo says, welcome, bro. Yeah, welcome, brother. Penguin, please. Thank you. Thanks for that penguin, man. Okay, thank you. No problem. Okay, guys. Is there any 1 minute breaker block? No, there is no 1 minute breaker block as well. Where will be the breaker block? If the breaker block should have happened, it has to happen. Order block. Trade. Okay, no, there is no opportunity to look for a breaker block. If market keep falling, what you are going to do? Nothing, because I didn't see any swing low which is valid for shifting market structure until now. I didn't get anything, so I'm not interested to take sell over there. No, I have the same name, Elena Costa. Sanagustin was there. I don't remember. Thank you, Sizo. Man, thanks for that membership, man. Finally, I'm here, sir. No problem, Sizo. You don't need to take that membership for being here. All you need to just be here with your time. That's all I need from you guys. Nothing else. Membership, I can't say that don't take it because this is the YouTube things. I don't think that if you take the membership, it's gonna take money for instead of teaching. I believe that you guys love me. That's why you are doing that. Otherwise, you wouldn't do that. I'm seeing that like that way. Okay, that's all. I watched today your BB video. It's interesting concept, but this ICT breaker block not every time works. I took the entry only based on MSS after breaker block. What did you say? I watched today your breaker block video. It's interesting concept, but this ICT breaker block not every time works. I took this entry only based on MSS after breaker block. ICT breaker block, I didn't understand, brother and sister. I mean, the way I explained over there, it worked for me most of the time. Okay, the way I explained the breaker block, it worked for me most of the time. Now, if it didn't work with you, just can you make it little more clear? I really didn't understand. What do you mean by but this ICT breaker block? What do you mean by that? But this ICT breaker block not every time works. The way I explained, sister, if you follow that step by step, everything, it works for me 99% of the time. I pushed my button yesterday as well, depending on that breaker block. I explained that before long time ago, even if it created over there. Can we take direct without MSS entry from last fair group? No, we can't do that, Robinhood. When you would entry for a short, if I get a market structure shift over here or any other confluences that can tell me that market is going lower. So far I can see there is only one thing is possible, that is called market structure shift. If I get a market structure shift, I will go for that. Is there any swing low which is valid for shifting market structure? Until now, no. Until now there is no swing low which is valid for shifting market structure. So if I get a market structure shift with fair value gap, I'll go for something like this. See this run? Very nice setup. Something this type of things, if it happens over here and the immediate reaction, I'll go for that. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take short. Okay, brother? Martin Novotny, buy. Go for that, man. Why you are asking me? Don't ask me. Just push your button. Take the buy. Thank you guys for subscribing. I get 11 people subscribed today. Welcome to my jungle, all of you. If anyone is interested to take buy, just go for that. No need to tell me that you are looking for buy. Okay? Because I'm not looking for buy. I'm expecting that market is going to fall. So I'm not interested to take buy. What is when you have MSS without fair value gap, where you look to short? No, I don't do anything. If I just would love to take the short depending on that market structure shift, then I'm not gonna take any entry over there if there is no fair value gap. If there is a fair value gap, obvious fair value gap, then I will take the short from there. If I don't get it, I'm not interested. For example, if it keep falling, right? Just it's keep falling. I will do nothing. Just nothing. I will do nothing over there. Is it like first fair value gap? Over here, there is no opportunity to be a first fair value gap. The first reason is market is just falling. Now here, this fair value gap is not entry fair value gap or the last fair value gap. This fair value gap is the first fair value gap. Okay, this first fair value gap is different. Don't be confused by the word of first fair value gap. This is the this is not the entry fair value gap or the last fair value gap. So this swing high has to trade either the last fair value gap or the entry fair value gap for being a valid first fair value gap entry. As this didn't trade the entry fair value gap or the last fair value gap, this is not a first fair value gap entry. Leah and her trades, for sure you had also other PDRA below or above the breaker. Okay. Martin Novotny, I also watch time frame continuity and R by R. What 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute tells you. Okay, I guess you are talking about something else. I don't know. We will see, brother. But I'm not looking for buy. Okay, I'm just continuing going lower. So if it is against going against you guys, you are looking for buy. Please go for that. How many times I can repeat that things? 18 to 100 am watching to hold for 5 minutes. So just hold it. Okay, I still already replied about it. He teaches to enter at first PD array you see. If it fails, you have other above where you can re-entry. Absolutely, brother. I agree with you. MSS. No MSS. There is no MSS yet. You are seeing this low as your market structure shift. No, this is not even a swing low. So it's not the MSS. This swing low is valid for shifting market structure. Until now, no. If it can make a swing low over here, then this swing low will be valid for shifting market structure. Until now, this swing low is not valid for shifting market structure. Okay, I am now confused actually where market is going. Just let it go, okay? Because some of you are looking for buy and I'm looking for sell. I don't want to make some conflict over here. So I will watch the price now, how it actually react. If market go higher, remember this is the entry fair value gap. Over there, I have the last fair value gap as well. So if I don't get any setup from this fair value gap for taking sell, I will wait to market reach to that last fair value gap. Then I will start to look for again for the sell setup. Remember that, okay? Market doesn't need to give me the sell setup from the entry fair value gap. It is not bound to give me that from the entry fair value gap. It can give me the setup from last fair value gap as well. Where is real MSL? So there is no swing low which is valid for shifting market structure until now. Winston, look, until now I didn't see any setup yet. I mean, I didn't see any setup except the first fair value gap. If you are looking for the perfect market, perfect A plus plus setup, until now I didn't get any setup. No A plus plus setup. Okay, I got another one subscriber. Thank you, brother, for subscribing. How many likes did I get? 167. Huge, right? 224 people are watching. If any of you think that this stream was little helpful and didn't give me the like, just give me the like right now. You don't need to subscribe. Just give me the likes. Then I will understand that okay, some of you just join and you thought this was good. Just give me the like. If you don't give me the like, I will think okay, it was not helpful. Okay, I got one like. Thank you. Mm. To the comment box, there is a link. Okay, I got a lot of likes now. So it's now near about 9 likes I got. Thank you. So 9 more people actually loved my stream who didn't give me the likes. Okay, thank you. There is a link about I mean Twitter link. The comment box. If anyone is interested to join me with my Twitter, you can click on that link. Okay. Lunch hour coming Tito's favorite time. No man, I'm not doing that. Yeah, I will mitigate my small loss. I will post the video. Maybe I'm gonna do that in the lunch hour because I'm expecting that setup will happen around the lunch hour. If I do that, I will upload I mean, tweet that to my Twitter. If I don't do it, then maybe I'll just let today go because tomorrow I will have lot of opportunity to take buy. I believe that tomorrow is the best day for trading for me. So yeah, that's all. I'm just waiting to see how price react. Now, if this candle can close above, okay, then this swing low will be valid for shifting market structure. All I need to see, market will take some buy side liquidity. Maybe this relatively equal highs will be taken. Then it will give me the market structure. If it happens, I'll be very happy. Okay, meditation hour. I mean, so your strategy has small RR. How can I maximize it? And how about accuracy? Dhirendanu, I my uh, strategy has the small RR. What do you say about them? Sometimes my RR is near about 1 is to 8, 1 is to 5, most of the time, something like that. Sometimes it's 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2. 90% of the time you will get 1 is to 2. 90% of the time. More than 1 is to 2 actually. So you think this is small? I don't think so, brother. Yeah, if you take more than one contract, then it's 1 is to 15. I take entry where the risk to reward ratio is 1 is to 15, but it only possible if you have more than one contract, because you have to take the partial. If that is one contract only, ah man. Thank you, Tito, kindly for all the ICT teaching and done for the day. Maybe market gods be with all of you. Okay, let's see, brother. Phoenix. USA lunch hour, our dinner hour. Yeah, our dinner hour. Absolutely, man. It's almost 10 p.m. I mean, the night, 10 p.m. Jack T, are you going PM session with us? I'm not sure, brother. But for me, right now, I need a break. I'm coming back within 2 minutes. I'm just coming back. Guys, can you give me 18 more likes? Then it will be 200 likes. I'll be very happy to get that 200 likes. Stay away from boom, Chitu. Okay, I'll stay out. That will be my another target very soon. The shallow run. If it left it like that way. 183, Robin. If I stick to 1:1 risk to reward, is it possible to win 14 trade out of 20 trade? Brother, there is no relationship with risk to reward with your winning, okay? There is no relationship with that. For example, here, you are looking, no, come from here. You are looking for buy. Every single time you try to take 1:1, you will get stopped out. You will keep getting stopped out. Then when price came here, you will start to look for sell. Every single time you will look for the sell, you will be stopped out. So there is no relationship between risk to reward with your winning. So I hope that you will understand. আমাকে কিছু খাইতে দিবা? দিবা কিনা তাই জিজ্ঞেস করি। চলো। আসলে না, না, আমি ডিম খাই না। না, না কিছু খাবো না। এখন কিছু খাবো না। বে, এমনি করো। এমনি বলছি। এখন খাবো না আম্মা। We are inside the macro. 1150 macro. Let's see. We can go for something or not. Clean sales and liquidity over there. A very clean sales and liquidity. 188 likes. I need 12 more likes and then boom. So it's going higher. I will just let it go. কিচ্ছু হবে না মা। ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Thank you. Thank you. We do give away 100 more likes. Give it to me, man. Can you check DXY? If DXY take London high, can we expect a lower run in NQ in PM session, bro? I don't know about the London high, but all I know that market can reach until that entry level up and this breaker block. This two level is going to hold the price. Then market is going higher until that buy side liquidity over here. I have this buy side liquidity, so market will go toward that buy side liquidity, and this guy is going lower toward this sell side liquidity. That's all my expectation. Maybe they will leave them for tomorrow. Today there was already previous day high, previous day low. I agree with you, brother. It's already has taken that. Manipulation has done already, but I wanted to see the extreme manipulation. The extreme manipulation will happen when market will take that asset. That will be the extreme manipulation. I would love to see that. How many handle is it? Is it actually? So from here, here till 200 use. Mhm. Assalamu alaikum. May all your prayers be accepted. May all your wishes be fulfilled. May your life be even better than Eid day. Wishing you and your family a very happy Eid. Thank you, Fazal. Happy Eid, brother. Eid Mubarak, brother. What is this for entry, Tito? No, it's not an entry. I'm just feeling the price, nothing else. I need to feel the price because I would love to take an entry on the lunch hour. So I'm just feeling the price. So it's not any entry. I want to talk about this right now. Yeah, I will talk about this later, but not right now. Not the time yet. Hey, crypto, you're late. Hmm. Hey, Nico, how are you, brother? Hello, brother. Did I miss the T-shirt giveaway? No, brother. I didn't do it yet. I will do that after the Eid. Okay, I told that already. I will do that uh, lottery or something after the Eid. So right now, Eid is in front of me, so I will take a little more time. Yes, it's a very busy day. Okay, no problem, sister. I miss you. I missed the T-shirt giveaway too. No, I didn't do it yet, brother. After the Eid, I will do it. Okay. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, I will do it after the Eid. 1 month I can't trade clean market. Why they do this? Because this is the yearly manipulation. Right now, it is the yearly manipulation. You will get the best price action from April, May, June. From June, you are going to get it from June. How are you today? Any trade today? Not good day. Very bad day. So far, okay. So far, very bad day. Price rebound at 15-minute order block and forward parabolic up. Nico. Eid Mubarak, Chitu. May God bless you and family for your hard work and pure intention. Thank you, Leah. Thank you, sister. Thanks for wishing me and for my family. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Give me the mark this time. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. What the? 5. Today is a beautiful sunshining day here where I am. You should send me a picture. I would love to see that, sister. I would love to see that. I think we will hit the upper 50-minute fabric before we go down. It can do that, brother. There's nothing wrong with that. Obviously, it can do that. It can hit the 50-minute last fabric. But yeah, until now, I didn't get the market structure shift. I need to feel the market. I have already felt it. If I get the market structure shift right now, I'll be very much interested to take myself because whatever I needed to feel, I have already felt it. As ICT told that you can put one contract to fill the market. Now I am unable to do that because I am not a billionaire or millionaire. So I am unable to put one contract on the market to fill the market. I can't do that. So instead of that, what I actually do? I use this tool to fill the market. That's all. If this candle gave me the market structure shift, I'll be happy to take another sell inside this lunch hour. If it failed, okay, I'm done for the morning session and I will wait for the PM session now. Okay, it worked perfectly. Tap to that breaker block, going higher, everything is cool. Just give me the market structure. And it has to happen by this candle. The market structure shift has to happen by this candle. If it fails to give me the market structure shift, I'm done for the morning session. Done. In morning session, I have no more entry. If I get the market structure shift now, I'm not interested because that should be the displacement. After taking the liquidity, that should be the displacement. It should not take two candles to give me the market structure. Yeah. Martin Novotny, what happened to you, brother? Why you just keep telling buy, 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 and buy? Jackie, why you are laughing, brother? Trade on the day on funded, but gonna stay out and come back tomorrow. Why did you push your button, BP? Today is not a good day to trade. Told that beforehand. Today is not a good day to trade. Not today, not yesterday. So Monday and Tuesday was not better to trade. You should come tomorrow and you should push your button tomorrow because tomorrow we are going to see some kind of better price action. In short, market has taken over here. Okay, this is in short. Okay, market has taken the buy side liquidity, the sell side liquidity from Monday. I am expecting that market will reach until this extreme sell side liquidity. Does it need to do that? Absolutely not. It doesn't need to do that. Can it do it? I'm expecting it is going to do it. On the PM session, market will go for the low again and it will take the sell side liquidity. Then it will reverse and it will stop here somewhere. Let me show you that. It will stop after taking the liquidity. Okay. After taking this liquidity, it will stop here somewhere around that area. When it will stop over here today, tomorrow market will go toward that buy side liquidity. Finally, Thursday and Friday, by using Thursday and Friday, market will take that buy side liquidity. That's all in my expectation so far. And the morning session, I don't have any other opportunity to take sell. Even if market give me the setup, I'm not interested to take sell right now. Or if it didn't give me, then I'll be very happy. Market has taken the buy side liquidity. That means all the sellers are stopped out. Now the buyers should be stopped out. If buyers is going to stop out, then this low is going to be taken, but I'm not interested to take any entry. Yeah, I will stay little more time until 12:10. Then I'm gonna close my session for today. Thank you, no problem. Can you breathe into micro less? Is it really so noisy? I sometimes I don't notice that. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Guys, can you give me 8 more likes before closing my session today? So from your experience, you always see MSS happens on next candle. It depends, brother. Look over here. What happened? Market has taken the buy side liquidity. All of this consolidation has been taken over here. One candle. If it give me the market structure shift, best. If it failed, the very next candle should give me the market structure shift. If I get the market structure shift in that very next candle with a fair value gap, I'll push my button with confidence that market is going toward that sell side liquidity. But what happened? Market went higher again. It is making another buy side liquidity or consolidation now. I'm not interested to put that consolidation buy side liquidity above me before taking sell. That is why I always look for the immediate reaction. After taking the buy side liquidity, that will be immediate reaction. For example, over here, this candle has taken all of this sell side liquidity, right? Then look at this displacement. This is called immediate reaction displacement. If it come here, stop and make some kind of consolidation, then went higher again, leave the consolidation sell side over there, that's not good. Over here, this is sideways price action. I'm not interested to do anything over here in that consolidation. Is it clear, brother? Sizo, 196 just need 4 more likes. If I get it, I'll be happy, okay, before closing my session. Happy and blessed Eid, brother. Thank you, Ryan. Just came home. Now I hope everyone is fine here. I believe that everyone is good over here. I'm also good. I got 5252. Okay, that's a good number. So you actually look for this type of things, right? ISH. So 5222 ISH. Can I reverse from there or I should keep going higher? What should I do, brother? Tricks. Do you use indicators for zones? No, I don't use that. Luxus 5. Please hit the like button, share the stream, subscribe to the channel. Thanks, folks. Yeah, please do that for me, please, guys. Yes, so thanks always for explaining. No problem, Sizo. Just give me the answer. What should I expect right now? Okay, I got 200 likes as well, and yeah, I'm gonna close my session after 2 minutes. As I never get the market structure shift. See, I never get the market structure shift when market came here inside this entry favorable gap. Until now, there was no setup, no sell setup. If you don't get the sell setup, you have no opportunity to take the sell. I will wait. I will wait for the same thing over here when market will be to the last favorable gap. I will look for the same sell setup from there as well if it can reach over there. If I get the sell setup, I'm going to take that sell. If I don't get it, I'll just let the rest of the day go like that way. I don't need to take both sell and buy. In my opinion, buy side has already taken over here. Buy side has taken, market has taken the sell side liquidity, left the extreme sell side liquidity over here. The market should go toward that sell side liquidity. That's my expectation. If market can do that, I'll be happy to take participate into that price action. Otherwise, I'll just let today go. Overall, I don't want to take entry today. That's all. Okay, I don't want to take the entry, but if I get the sell setup, maybe take I will push my button one more time. Maybe. Over here you can see this swing high failed to take that high, but it has traded, I mean taken all the buy side liquidity. If I get a market structure shift now, it is also valid. I mean need the displacement. If I get that, that is also valid because market has taken the buy side liquidity, failed to take the longest high. It is valid. But if it keep going higher, I'm not gonna touch the market. Inside the lunch hour, you should not take any entry inside the lunch hour. Okay, one target profit and one break even for me today. Congratulations, Glenn. Where did you take the entry, by the way? All-time high likes. Thanks much, folks. Much love. Thank you, guys. Thanks to all. Okay, I'm with you when you were 4K and still growing. I really want to see 10K. That's a huge. Okay, guys. Thanks for joining for today, and I believe that you will take only the thing I explained over here. Okay, I explained why this parallel gap was valid, why this parallel gap you can use as your sell setup. You can take why I was not expecting that market is going to take that buy side liquidity before clearing the sell side liquidity around that area. Remember there was a sell side liquidity as well. Before clearing that sell side liquidity, why I wasn't looking for any buy, why I was thinking that market will go lower. I explained everything around the beginning. How market is going to work today, I explained that as well. So far I believe that you will understand, and the fact from here to here I'm not right. I'm just expecting lower run. So in this price action I'm not right. That doesn't mean my whole concept is, I mean, fake, or it's not, whole concept is wrong. It's not like that. You will understand the price action. You don't need to be right every single time. You can be right sometimes, you can be wrong sometimes, but yeah, still if you can learn anything from here, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks brother, see you tomorrow. I hope so, Winston. But tomorrow I'm not going to promise because tomorrow is the just before the Eid day. So maybe I will be busy around 18334. 18334. Around this area, maybe you took a sell or buy or something. Okay, when it tap over there, I'm gonna remove this from my chart. The last fair lookup is going to be my I'll see for the same sell setup from the last fair lookup as well. So yeah, that's cool, man. To around 18243. 43 per here. Okay. That's cool, man. If you get stopped out, sometimes it's perfectly okay, but still you are in profit. That's cool. You confused me a bit with your long trade at the opening. Jack T, I tell you anything to take that entry? Did I explain anything about that pushing button? I told you that if I pushed my button, please don't look for that. Instead of that, when I'm just what did I tell over there that I'm looking for sell? So when I pushed my button, I saw something else. That's why I pushed my button. I told that over here when price was just exactly to that candle, I told that I'm not feeling comfortable. I should close the trade. Now, to be honest, I saw one guy's comment that please don't close it. So I just let it hit my stop loss over there. But don't just take this type of entries. If you just keep taking my entries, you will be confused. So don't take my entries. Instead of that, follow the way I'm reading the price. When I'm looking for sell, why I'm looking for sell? Over here, why still I'm looking for sell? Why I'm not looking for buy? Okay, this type of things. Now, can I take that buy? Absolutely, I can do it. Over here, yesterday I did it, right? You saw the entries, and now I can't show it to you because it's been reset because that was the top step entry. So over there to the breaker block, I took sell, I took buy, then I framed the sell again. I can do that, but you should not do that. Can I take that buy? Absolutely, I can take that buy. Over here, when I saw something bad over there, I could close my trade. I love that boom word from you guys. So sometimes I don't close my trade and or I just don't put my stop loss to the break even. But don't look at my entries before explaining the first fair value gap. When I pushed my button to the first fair value gap, you guys got confused. Why this guy pushed his button over there? Now, where I don't explain this entry, you should not look for that one, and you should not made yourself confused. Okay, please don't do that. Instead of that, the way I read the price over here, I explained this one. This fair value gap is absolutely valid for taking sell. When market will close below that fair value gap, you will push your button. Your stop loss will just cover this order block. You do it, hold your trade until that sell side liquidity. You will be profitable. You don't need to trail my stop loss the way I trailed because my trade, my management is mine. Okay, so please don't do it. Okay, I didn't take it. Thank you, man. If you didn't take it, thank you. And don't just look at my entries. Okay, if I tell you that now I'm looking for this, sometimes you will see I just pushed my button without telling anything. Like over here, when I pushed my button, I didn't say anything, just nothing. I just pushed my button. Over here, what did I say? If I get market structure shift over there, I'm gonna push my button. So sometimes I recall the trade. I call it beforehand. Over here, what did I say? When market will close below that fair value gap, I'm gonna push my button. So that would be my entry. I sometimes you will see I don't say anything, I just pushed my button. So in that type of situation, I actually pushed my button depending on something you don't know or I didn't explain yet. So I hope that you will understand the fact over there, brother. Okay. Thanks for the teaching, bro. No problem, JD. I didn't take it. Thank you, brother. If you all are just talking trading signals, you won't make it. Absolutely, Winston. Will never copy you and anyone else. That's the spirit, Jack T. This is your money. You should take your responsibility. Don't copy others. How many years have you been trading, bro? Near about 7 years now, brother. Near about 7 years. So, guys, thank you for being with me today, and I hope that it will be little insightful to read the price action. How should you read the price action? If you get one successful setup, one trade, one day, you are done for the day. You should not go for the next trade. Okay. If I come back again in the PM session, I will look for a setup actually. If I take that setup and if it will work perfectly, then I will come back in PM session and I will explain that on. And obviously that will be the sell setup. Okay, I'm not gonna take the buy setup. I will look for a sell setup. All of you know, either I will look for the first parallel cap entry or the breaker block entry, or there is no breaker block yet. If it can make any other breaker block or the first parallel cap entry, maybe this type of entry or the market structure shift 22 YT model. If I get this type of entries, I will come back at the PM session. If I don't get anything and if I see this random price action, maybe at the PM session I won't be here. Okay. So until the next session, and tomorrow maybe I won't be here. Tomorrow I won't be here. So until the next session, everyone be happy. Everyone, Eid Mubarak and cheers. Be careful, guys. Tata.